I hear a lot of you niggas hating out there saying that my administration is one of lies and deceit. I told y'all I knew who Frederick Douglass was. I went on Twitter. Everybody's saying that I do not. That's why I have my man right here. Fred, please come to the podium and talk to these motherfuckers one time. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Frederick Douglass, esteemed black person. I started the Black Star Shipping Company in 1807. I freed the slaves from Liberia and created the free states of Liberia. What are you talking about? I'm Frederick Douglass. I'm the civil rights leader that was marched in Selma in 1987. I'm Frederick Douglass. I'm not Dr. Ben Carson, who, by the way, is a genius. If I have to say so myself, I saw him repair the brain of a gerbil that was in a fatal car accident. I saw it with my own eyes. I'm Frederick Douglass. I started the shipping company, and Donnie bailed me out here. I also, Abraham Lincoln and I went to brunch in 1994. We were listening to A Tribe Called Quest. No more questions. Sean, please get up here. Do the drop. Frederick Douglass, please, holla.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Imagine if the one fake mustache. Frederick Douglass, he had the wild, like...
Frederick Douglass looked like your grandmother, remember? You was always saying that.
In the face. Yo, and also, Sanford's son. Sanford. You big dummy.
Episode 54.
That's right.
Bodega Boys in the building.
That's right.
The most dangerous podcast recorded in the most dangerous octagon of Red Bull Studios. 220 West 18th Street. Do the drop. It's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Say Fat Like Tyrion, a.k.a. Chris Fast Slington, a.k.a. Eli Let Be, a.k.a. Butchers Gully, a.k.a. Slow Down I Might Know You Bitch, a.k.a. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ J Twigger, Mr. Nando's with a Rando, Mikhail Going Off, the Juve Boss, MC Lil Gunga P, pulling up from 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool, because we don't fuck with Uber no more.
That's right.
The original my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jane Avocado Toast. There's a little extra cilantro on that, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to... Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Mufasa don't. Yo, Simba, be careful. Yo, build a wall against those gazelles, nigga. Young Charcuterie without the coonery. A.k.a. Chile Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Que lo que? Remember I gave that girl Spanish fly and she died? Oh, what's that? Vice K. Makuzaga, 3 Phone Jones, Jesus Ek Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, The Human, Dr. Bonner's Label, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blur. DJ Woodlight, a.k.a. You're listening to Wash to FM. The Curry Goat. Jesus Spicer. The Black Asiatic Addict who'll crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Oh, Mr. La Marina, the Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic babe. Wow,
That's right. We did
That's not my baby.
54 episodes of this shit. 54 whole episodes, nigga. 54. Nigga, that's bigger than small on my TV. But you know who it is. This is the Kid Murray, a.k.a. the human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Skirt loader. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby. I fucking man.
Give him an agency.
I 22 G's. Oh, my name Jenny Frank. The dad of the year, you know what I'm saying? Ben Smack B. Young Bofield, the ass Tyson, you know what I'm saying? Ben Boston, I have the precision of a wristwatch that was made on Jupiter by a gerbil that speaks Spanish. The Zen Man, Rico Sabroso, Baby Newport, Nino Brown, East Street by Stevie B. Yo, I got the cock niggas of flash. That's not a rumor. It's the plantain soup and over in the sky. You know what I'm saying? And when I pull up from 2, you know who this thing is. Barmelo's Anthony. Woo, love you. I love you, too. I'm dropping 40, 0 assists. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target, respect my fucking agency. Approach me like an earth-sign mammal. Like an earth-sign mammal. You know what I'm saying? And let me tell y'all niggas something. Trump got niggas nervous out here, but guess what? Digo, hijo de Titi FIFA, papi. Tápate la teta.
I don't even know what that is. I don't know. That sounds mad sexy. What was that? What did you say?
Cover your titties.
Oh.
I don't know. That sounds like something important to say.
Damn, I gotta learn some Spanish. I gotta learn some Spanish to say
Just
during
saying,
sex
throw
and
it out
shit.
there. Yeah.
I can't
Yeah.
be like, I can't
Yo.
be on top of it. Just be like, oh, man, no, it's not
Nah,
it's
she's like, yo, why? She's like, what you mean for?
Why are you saying that? Cause listen, a lot going
She's like, yo, how
on.
you know my social?
Yo,
Yo, you a scammer?
the best scammer there is.
He's the best around.
Got a Wild Ferragamo belt on my dick. She's like, the buckle hurts. I'm like, that's
Yo, shout out to that hero on Twitter who I have no idea who he is, but homie, it's just a viral picture that went around of homie with the Gucci belt on his head, and on his belt, and around other various areas of his body. Shout out to you.
That's Black History Month right there.
You know what I'm saying?
Gotta respect
We in it. You know what I'm saying? We right in the tip of it. You know what I'm saying?
That's an interesting phrasing choice. But it is Black History Month. Happy Black History
You know what I'm
Month.
saying? Yeah.
Happy African American History Month.
Of course, according to the
for
current
that, or
administration.
colored people.
Yo,
You know what?
I'm surprised there hasn't been a think piece yet about that.
Oh, I'm sure there are some right now.
You know what I mean?
I'm actually pretty happy that we don't go by Negro anymore.
Oh, man.
That was the wild
Oh,
buzzkill. Damn, they used to have
It's just whack to say too, like
Negro. You can't say that without like sneering your face.
Like,
you know what I mean? You can't be like, hello, Negroes, and be all cheery. Like that shit is very dark.
You gotta say like Negro.
Like you just enjoy your day. And you're just like, oh, Negroes.
the Negroes.
And then there was like Jim Crow shit. Like how much of a hater you got? Who was the hater that started that? And
Come
then
on.
niggas was like, alright.
Alright,
Niggas was like,
fuck
alright,
it.
like yo, nah, they can't touch our water fountain.
No. Niggas got cooties.
Like
know what I'm saying?
I
Let's
wouldn't
do
have
this Crow
survived
shit.
back there because I would be like, yo, y'all water fountains ain't even on that popping.
Yeah, shit kind of whack actually. Like I'm just
shit's
drinking here,
whack.
nigga. Shit's closer to the
what I'm saying?
fucking movie theater, so fuck y'all.
Niggas like go through the back door. Excuse me.
What? What?
Oh, really?
Just for that, I'm
That's
gonna
how
take a
you
piss
feel?
on the back door,
That's
and I'm
how you
going through the front
feel?
door.
All right.
You know what
And
I'm
niggas was just letting it cook. Niggas is just like, yo. See, that's how, like, now on Twitter, people are like, yo, don't punch a Nazi. Like, because they had the protest yesterday at NYU with the guy that is not part of Vice.
Nah, get him out
All
of
right?
here. He's a clown.
He's a clown, Gavin, whatever the fuck his name is.
Gavin
and mad
Clown
people was like, yo, don't let him talk at NYU. Since NYU wants to destroy Upper Manhattan, the least they could do is not let a Nazi talk, correct?
know what I'm saying?
And then there's like mad think pieces by mad people with punchable faces talking about don't punch a Nazi and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But those are like literally the people saying don't punch a Nazi are the same people who let Jim Crow cook.
True.
You know what I'm saying? Same people who letting real Nazis get into power. Because when you're doing all those like, I want to coin the phrase. I want to say it's called caustic gymnastic.
Caucastic gymnastics.
Caucastic gymnastics. That's what it is. Because like there's certain things you don't have to think and expound upon.
Yeah.
Certain things just are.
Yeah.
And these motherfuckers, they want. It's like when they want to reach for shit.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? They love
deeper.
yoga and they love to reach and be like, yo, they should have freedom of speech. If you're a fascist, if you don't let a Nazi talk, shut the fuck up.
2K, yo, son,
Fuck
listen.
up. Go update your Spotify playlist.
Yeah.
Go listen to some Miriam Hall, who actually has a very lovely song in the AirPods.
Oh shit.
app.
Yeah. Oh shit. It's up there.
Shout to her.
Just how you doing it.
she was like, yo, I got a shout out.
Yo, but fucking, yo, come on, son. Like, how do you not? You
Nah,
gotta
you know what
check
the thing
people,
is?
be yo. Like,
Shit is getting wild, and it's just like, you know, not to use a wild term like revolutionist shit, but a lot of people is exposing themselves as buns, and now you're wondering like if shit really got popping, like what were these New York Times writers gonna do?
You know what I'm saying?
Like I'm not gonna have to like go on a fucking Doja run to Whole Foods, who's taking mad gunfire to bring bananas back to the compound and share it with this nigga who is doing an op-ed about don't punch Nazis when all this shit goes to shit. All right,
Fuck out of here.
get your shit together.
Yo, you wildin'.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta, yo, listen, man.
Everybody should play down. Everyone get the vision, play it, learn that map.
Yo.
Because that's
Midtown.
Trump is what? This is his second week, third week.
Listen,
Like,
you know
yo.
what's crazy though? The wild part is if some shit like that goes down, it's happening in Manhattan first.
It's happening in Manhattan first. So the Bronx is
Early.
gonna be good.
Yeah, for like the first couple months, like it'll
But
still be
then-
the Bronx.
Yeah, but we're gonna
And
be
then
cut
they'll be
off
like,
from
yo,
supplies and shit.
yeah,
Then we gotta get guns and shit.
Damn.
We gotta raid the precinct. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Gotta make it happen.
Yo,
Because that's the other thing. Like, if society collapses, everyone's like, yo, the cops do not live in the city.
nah, I don't.
So they
fucking
live
care,
like in
man.
Connecticut, it's
Yeah.
that, all of this shit.
You wild.
They're not driving into the city to get paid by a failed government or shit. So they're just gonna have to police themselves.
yeah.
So you better get a stick and put a nail through it.
You know what I'm saying? Or get another stick.
My best advice to you
stick
is
talk.
kill all your neighbors first. and just control the block. I'm just gonna like put up cinder walls.
All right.
Just to make my own compound and shit.
All right.
Put the broken glass on the top of the cinder walls to make sure people don't climb over and shit.
I got the boat docked, ready to go to DR, man. Like, I'm off this.
Can you? How long would it take to
Take a boat to DR?
sail to DR from I
Yeah.
guess Orchard Beach?
Can we
Where
ask-
you like?
can we
Where's
ask-
the boat docked at?
Can we ask the computer?
Do you eat?
How long would it take to sail from Orchard Beach to the Dominican Republic?
Hurry the fuck up, Siri.
Nah, don't do a search for me. Fuck out of
see?
here. Fuck out of
See,
here.
also
Don't do a
that's the other
search.
thing. Like that right there,
I could have just Googled it.
I'm kind of worried now because like when the shit goes down, like you can't be asking
Using Siri
shit.
and GPS and all that shit. Y'all niggas been learning how to read maps. That's why, yo, listen, all that old school stupid shit that your pops taught you, is trying to teach you, and you like, yo, get out of here, you corny. Learn that shit, nigga.
Yeah.
Learn how to read a fucking paper map. Learn how to fucking find the North Star. You know what I'm
All
saying?
that shit.
Learn
Follow
how to fucking get
the
water.
Fucking drinking gourd.
Yeah.
Go back to that shit. If your bay slows you down, maybe you gotta put the hot one in the back of the head.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, I seen this wild show that was like survival shit or whatever. A homie, some clown cake, some white British nigga was like, yo, my dad used to do adventure, so I wanted to do an adventure too, blah, blah, blah. Long story short, your man ends up in the fucking Amazon jungle with a dog as his only companion, and he's like, gets wild lost in the jungle, OD, like starts starving, can't eat nothing, It gets to the point where he's just like, yo, actually, the dog wasn't with him. The dog was like stray in the jungle and like happened upon him and started following him. That's what it was, my bad. And then he got to a point where he was like, yo, am I gonna eat this dog? And he actually had to eat the dog, fam. But he was like, yo, that has disgusted him so much that he threw up immediately.
Yeah.
So it was like, wasn't even worth it. And then it was just like the voiceover in British, he's like, not only was I starving again, but I had killed my only friend. Now things were really rough. And then like 2 minutes later, like a fucking plane comes out of nowhere and rescues him. I was like, you fucking jerk. You deserve to die, my nigga. And you didn't. You know what I'm saying?
That's wild. You can't eat your dog.
You know what I'm saying? Like niggas hold you down. By the way, a dog will find you food if you're in the wild. A dog has a way better sense of smell than you.
Dogs are amazing.
You know what I'm saying?
Like,
And they'll help you out. So you probably shouldn't have ate the nigga. Also, I can't imagine dog tastes good. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? Raw. It's disgusting.
yo, shout to Miro.
Raw meat.
Shout to Miro bringing up the wild story about a dog, knowing my dog just died.
I mean, like you gotta.
Nigga, that's why we have runs of show. You can't throw shit in there. What if I just curled up in a ball on the
You
floor
gotta-
right now, stop it controlling me?
That's real. Then the niggas see what reality really is. Nah, you
can't let
gotta,
niggas-
you gotta power through that.
Nah, masculinity is so fragile. The only time as a black male you should cry is at the birth of a child, the birth of a child through a woman that's not your main woman, and you're about to go see the judge.
Yo.
Or if they bring out too much pernil or Dan Coquille,
Yeah,
then you be like, yo,
tears
shit,
of
niggas
joy, like,
niggas took
yo.
the shit off.
Like, yo, tears
Yo.
of staying in your bed, like,
Yo.
yo, thank you so much.
Yo, I paid $20 to valet my charger, but it's cool.
It's totally worth it because I'm putting Benil in my pockets.
Did you see that the No, like I mean I understand. Like the
You know what I'm
doggy
saying?
bag, sometimes the doggy bag don't make it to the parking lot.
Yo.
Sometimes you be mad smacked.
You know what I mean?
They bring your car around, you sitting in on three
Like,
steps, you just like getting the shit face.
Yo,
Listen,
love it.
are we in City Island tonight?
Oh, that's right.
That's
yeah.
right. Shout out. Happy birthday, Angie.
Shout out to Angie.
Angie.
You know what I'm saying? The guy.
Miro's driver.
Right, who's wild. I can't even speak on it too much.
Yeah, don't
So I
get
want
don't get
Shorty-
the hot case.
I don't want Shorty to catch a case, but she's ill. And she's celebrating tonight.
Happy birthday to
City
her.
Island.
She's a black woman.
Yeah.
Shout out to black
Black women
women.
out here solving everybody's problems as usual.
Oh, speak on it. Hot tea
You know what I'm
report.
saying? Yo, she be holding me down.
Sponsored
Shut up.
by Sleepy Time Tea. Props is a True Thug's wife, but True Thug's niece is Sleepy Time Chamomile Tea.
Shout out to chamomile tea. I never had chamomile tea in my life.
What?
Oh, some
Who
Michael
are
K
you, Michael
shit.
K? What?
Some Michael K shit. I never had chamomile tea in my entire life. My mom used to try to give me this shit when I was a kid, like, and I would get sick, and I was like, "Yo, get that shit the fuck out
Are
of here."
you serious?
Yeah.
I swear by that shit.
Yeah?
I don't know if
What does it
CBT
do? Like, it's for
It's,
to
man,
going to sleep,
it,
or
it chills you out
when you
man.
feel ill?
It chills you. It's like tea weed, but not. If you know what weed is, it's not like weed.
Yeah, okay.
But in theory, it's like it calms you down. A little.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It helps you it mellows you out.
What does it taste like?
It's sweet.
Citrus?
I put a little sugar in. No,
Sugar?
no. It's like, and the box is cute because it has like teddy bears.
Teddy bears. Oh yeah, I know. Cause my mom had this shit.
not
Like
teddy bears,
and rocking chair and shit.
Yeah, they're just chilling. They're just doing shit.
Yeah, niggas got the little
So you
sleepy
drinking the
hat.
tea, you're looking at it like, yo, look at these bears. Oh, look at these little cute little bear niggas.
Sleepy time.
Not realize them niggas will rip your fucking face off in real life.
Yeah, nigga.
Niggas choke you out with a tea bag like, I got
no,
your celestial seasons in right here. Niggas swipe your bottom and your intestines fall out. You're like, this is not what I wanted. I was just trying to get a cup of tea.
I know you niggas seen The Revenant, nigga. You're gonna be looking like Leonardo DiCaprio through your living room. Like,
Right.
The celestial seasoning beer got me. Disemboweled me. Shout to chamomile too, though. I might fuck with it.
Yeah,
you know what I'm
you
saying?
gotta-
Because I have
you
severe
gotta live
anxiety
your
and I can
life.
never sleep.
You have severe anxiety, really?
Yeah, I can
Why?
never sleep. I'm always just worried about a lot of things all the time.
Really?
Like my financial situation, my kids' health,
Yes.
my wife's health, my parents.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? My mom in particular, yo, my mom's always like doesn't like not like that she guilts me into shit, but just like my mom just says shit in certain ways that just makes me feel terrible about like not giving her $1 million all
Right.
the time. You know what I'm saying? Like she'll just be like like I'll buy something to eat and like not even think of like, yo, let me get something for my mom or whatever. Like just buy something on the fly,
Right.
bring it home, and then she'll be like, yo, if she's in town, whatever, she'll be like, yo, what do you got there? You know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh, it's just like some leftover chicken sandwich from my job and shit. She's like, oh, okay. When are you gonna eat it? Like for dinner? Yeah? Damn, I'm starving. I haven't had anything since like 8 when I woke up to clean the whole house. I put gas in your car. Yeah, I put gas in your car. Yeah.
I mean,
I was like, damn, man.
that's what
Here,
moms
man,
do.
take the chicken sandwich. Here, take
that's
it.
what moms
I don't want
do,
it.
man. You gotta let them. You gotta let them have that. You gotta let your mom cook because remember you stretched out her pum pum.
That's true.
When you
know
came
what I'm
into the
saying?
world.
Like, yo, I came through there like bang.
You came through,
know
you
what I'm
wrecked
saying?
it, and
She lets
now-
me know every time. She's like, yo, I got so many stitches because of you, you fucking piece of shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I was in labor for like 40 hours.
I was my mom's quickest
Delivery
because I did like a Chris Brown front flip out
Nigga
that
said,
shit.
"Oh."
I was like,
Breezy. He said, Deezy.
she's landed all free. I was like, what's up, niggas? Ray J was there playing the piano.
They came out like the WB frog and shit like
I was
that.
like, I was like spinning the placenta around, like, yo. I was like,
Deezy, jump on it. Jump on it. Stem cells.
I was like, yo, give it up for Dr. McKenzie. Wow. Shouts to you for not using the forceps. The brand is strong.
Niggas chucking the dudes and shit with the wild bloody hair. Like,
I'm like,
yo, I just want to give a shout out to all my niggas on 233. You already know.
Yo,
We out here.
special shout out to my mom.
You know
Yo,
what I mean?
what's up, mom? Good looking out. Let
Yo,
me
did
live
you
rent free for 9 months.
Yo.
About to be on this titty, man.
Yo,
yeah.
shit, my nigga, yo.
Next up, we got coming to the stage, Michael Blackson.
Motherfucker. Yo.
Yeah, you can't let your mom get you down. You're popping.
You know what I'm saying?
You're
But,
popping.
I'm good. So I smoke Mad Chronicles.
You know why? Because we have a show
That's true.
on Viceland.
The niggas are locked in. by the way.
Jesus and Miro.
Yeah. Shout out to all the worms in the comments who are like, yo, can't wait till they cancel. Like, guess what, nigga? You're going to be waiting quite a while.
How many episodes have we done now?
Ooh.
54 episodes. Oh, wow. 54 episodes and 54 episodes of Bodega Boys.
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun.
We're going to rip a hole in the galaxy.
She's a fucking vortex, nigga. Whoa. We're going to step out here. It's like Bill and Ted. We're going to be in medieval times and shit.
That was a good movie.
It was a pretty good movie.
We should redo that.
That shit is ripe for a redo, but we're gonna redo it, and
you
white
know
people
what?
are gonna get so mad.
Yeah.
Why are you gonna fucking niggas do?
Why would you do it? Canoe Reeves is gonna come out and be like, I don't condone this remake. I was not consulted on this. The movie is a classic. I don't see why.
Yeah. Is he problematic or woke? I feel like every celebrity, you gotta fall in line, my nigga. You gotta either be problematic or woke. You gotta decide. Are you Vince Vaughn?
Can I
or
say
are you
so?
Jesse Williams?
You know what? Why I love the podcast, and I speak my truth here.
Speak your truth.
I'm not worried about legal and standard practices.
Talk to him.
Muting me.
That's right.
As a black man,
That's right.
I can say what I
This
want.
is the power.
Now I do what I want.
Teach these devils.
Listen, every white person you come in contact with, you have to test them now to see if they're a Trump supporter.
Oh yeah.
And then what you do, because every time you're like with a group of people and shit, if you do like a Trump, you say some fucked up shit about Trump, or you be like, yo, he's ruining the country, you gotta look at everyone's faces. And if somebody looks like they just sucked on a lemon before they laugh, they're the Trump supporter. And it never fails. Never fail. You're talking to them, you're like, oh, like you just bring it up out of nowhere. Like, because the other day I was doing a photo shoot. And the lady said something, and I was like, yeah, well, let's hurry up before, because who knows, Trump might, like, fucking let off a nuke tonight. A little joke like that.
Yeah.
Everybody in the room was, like, laughing at it. There was one person in the back. She was like, Clutch your pearls.
Yeah, like,
And I was like, oh, the 53% is here, huh? I see you.
Yeah, it was good, man.
Because other people who was like, yo, let's chill, let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. Maybe he won't be so bad. He's doing all the shit he said he was going to do. Exactly what he said he was going to
clowns.
do.
You know, there's a fucking Twitter shit, the Trump regrets.
It's like getting with,
account.
not to knock Chris Brown, but it's like getting with Chris Brown. Chris Brown had that video. He was like, yo, if I love you, I'm going to pop up where you want to be at. All that shit.
That's basically a disclaimer.
You get with Chris Brown and he does that shit, like, he's right there.
You got what you wanted.
How Trump got beef? This nigga hanging up the phone with Australia's prime minister.
You are fake news.
Nigga, you are not in a high school relationship. You cannot hang up the phone on people.
The wildest shit is like all these reports, all these leaks coming out the White House of people that are just like shook. And it's not like people trying to snitch. It's like motherfuckers that work for him directly. And they're like, yo, this nigga's wilding.
Because he doesn't know not only does he not know, everyone was like, yo, he doesn't know what he's doing, but he's going to surround himself with people who knows what to No, he brought his boys on.
He brought his homies.
He did what I'm going to do when I get my first million. I'm going to surround myself with people who live adjacent to my house.
That's it.
As my financial advisor, I'm going to have my weed man perhaps running my IRA. Like, I'm not going to make the best decisions.
Yo.
Like, Ben Carson should not be there. Steve Bannon should not be on the Security Council. That don't make no sense.
Fucking Jeff Sessions, that clown who I fucking glide you off the hands anytime you want him.
You get a choice. Clown. You get a choice. You could punch Jeff Sessions in the face or Ray Romano.
Jeff Sessions. I think no question.
Yeah.
I would love to do it and just have it be a vine and just have it go down like how your man Richard Spencer got punched and then just niggas just put music to it every time. Ooh, I would love it. I would love it.
Let's make that happen.
Can I do that? I can say that right now, man.
Say that.
Go fuck
it's still a free country for now.
Fuck that nigga.
You know what's fucked up?
It's a clown.
If he's really a dictatorship and shit, he's gonna kill us. Because if you're a dictator, the first people to go are the intellectuals. He already started that shit with like the scientists. The next up are the voices of dissent.
Yeah.
And this shit right here, this is very dissentful, my guy.
It's a little dissenty.
They're gonna make if we survive, they're gonna make like the Walt Disney movie about this in 30 years, but we're gonna be played by white guys. They'll be like, how the Bodega Boys was Freedom Radio.
Freedom Radio.
Resistance!
We're both played by Macaulay Culkin.
And Andrew Hi, I'm Young Chipotle.
And I'm the human durag flap, guys.
Resistance!
Yeah, let resistance
suck my dick from the back.
Yeah, guys.
In a world run by Donald Trump, only one podcast spoke fruit.
Let me tell you, nigga, something. Bodega Boys, I'm coming for you, nigga.
I don't think so, Donald. Bodega Boys in the building.
Screw you.
Live from 220 West 18th Street.
Pin, pin, pin. Gotta hear both sides.
Do the drop.
Yeah.
Coming summer 2020.
Yo, shout out to Elgort.
The Bodega Boys are in the building. Well, Liberty's on the line.
Liberty's on the line.
Only one group can give them that uncut DAC of free. Available on IMAX.
Yo, I feel like it's do the Wild Ben Barson spinoff and shit. We're not even trying anymore. I'm just laying in bed doing voice like, yeah, this nigga's
like episode 1054. How y'all niggas? I got the wild opioid addiction and shit. You can hear my teeth grinding on the fucking. I gotta keep adjusting my mic. They're like,
I'm like, yo, I'm taking the shit right now, like right now, on myself.
Man. I'm not. We're not even in the same studio. I'm skyping in for like Tampa or some shit.
Yeah, I'm in a hammock jerking off. This is my jerk off time.
Sound quality is horrible, but the sound engineer is trying his best. He's like, yo, you can't be outside. I'm like talking to my phone and shit. Like, I cannot hear what you're talking about. You're talking about something, I pick up a whole new topic and shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, yo, so how's your house?
I'd be like, yo, actually, you know, the Redskins is a tremendously racist name. I don't know why they still haven't changed it.
Kurt Schilling is just, it's wild how he hates Muslims. And
the problematic line.
is the dude drops and shit. You know what I'm saying? Whatever.
Yeah, you're saying, yeah.
We're still getting write-ups in magazines. But they're like, it's not as good as it used to be. But
hey, it's like The Simpsons.
Every now and then they drop a gem.
30 years later, going strong.
Still going strong.
Niggas a bad wash.
We're still doing Ben Barson jokes 30 years from now.
Yeah.
Like, people are like, why is this funny? People are like, you had to be there.
You had to be there.
You had to be there.
It's classic stuff. You don't understand
You don't understand it. We're like,
it's before your time. It's before your time. You know, I really wish you just respect the architects.
Our show is just wash people, but people who are popping now and they're like fucking completely washed in the future. Like the kids have no idea who these people are. Oh man, we got Barack Obama. Like, who's that?
Who's that? He comes in with like a fucking jazz guitar and shit. He's like, I'm on my 3rd album now.
He got the wild stretched earlobes and shit. He got the rattlesnake piercings.
Yeah.
Michelle could have said I couldn't have these in office, but
fuck
look at me now.
Now I
My
do.
acoustic album called That's So Barry.
That's so Barry. Speaking of That's So Barry, has Raven-Symoné done anything? I feel like she's been mad quiet, B. She was like,
she got dubbed. Did she get fired from whatever she was working on or whatever?
yeah,
Because she was trying
mad
to.
active for a minute, and now she just fell off.
Yeah, I mean, because she was problematic and just popping up on shit, and then like she got fired from stuff.
Yo, answer me this: are Orlando Brown and Chris Brown related?
No,
No, right?
no.
right.
How smacked are you?
Yo, was my
Oh my God.
Shout to the gelato.
The gelato is good.
Weed Report. Hey, listen. Hi, my name is Jesus Nice, aka Mr. Chief Your Keef. Yeah, that's right. And it's your boy, the Kid Marijuana. We coming to you live from Smack City. Smack City. We are here with a Weed Report, and today we are tasting a healthy bud called gelato.
That's right.
Gelato.
They call that shit gelato because it melts on your motherfucking palate, baby.
Oh my God!
Boy, that's
Now, what I recognized when I tasted the gelato was the undertone. I believe it was cinnamon.
yeah,
Yes.
nice little aromatic kick in there. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? For your smackness.
The mouthfeel was very rich.
Yeah.
Very smoky.
Yeah, very milky clouds, I would say.
This is a great high. It's not heavy.
Yeah.
I could watch a baby. I could operate a forklift.
Absolutely.
I'm good to go.
I could operate a forklift while holding a baby. Right
I
now.
could use a forklift to pick up a baby.
Smack report on
You know
NPR.
what I'm saying? Shout out to Weemaps. Yo, Weemaps, throw us $1 million for that.
Yo, listen, that's so wild. Like, there's different types of weed, and like people telling they're like this gelato, this OG, whatever. And I'm like, nigga, I'm gonna smoke it all.
I was smoking all this shit. Yo, remember? Not even like I feel like not even 5 years ago. Like now that niggas got apps with like every type of weed, and it tells you what it does, and it got like number scores and shit. I'm like, yo, and it tells you where to get the shit. I'm like, yo, son, I remember I used to cop weed from a nigga named Sub-Zero, and we called him Sub-Zero because the nigga always wore a fucking ski mask no matter the weather. You know what I'm saying? And he come out and serve you a dub with a fucking dime tape to it, and you niggas was in heaven. If niggas put weed in like not a bag back in the day, it was like, yo, this is some raw. Oh, this shit come in a blood tube. Oh, this shit is raw. Oh, this shit come in a weird little jar. Oh, this shit is
Oh
raw.
yeah, Branson, remember that?
Yeah,
Ooh! Everyone was getting that shit from Branson.
Yeah.
A little NYC history for you,
know what I'm
bumpkins who just moved here.
Just moved here.
There used to be Cosmo.
I got delivery services.
Yeah. You think that shit is popping out. Cosmo.com, right?
Yeah.
We always talk about Cosmo.com.
Shut the
But
Cosmo.
yeah, Branson was delivering to like Biggie
Yeah.
and Nas. Everyone's rapping about Bronson.
Yo, Stevie J said that on our award.
Our critically acclaimed.
Critically
Not, haven't won awards yet.
I mean, but for the hood
Yet.
we in. Like Jim Jones said, for the hood we in. Yeah.
Not awards yet. We got a trophy case just waiting for niggas. Just waiting.
It's like waiting for the Peabody.
Waiting
Like,
for it.
Waiting for the Emmys.
Well, as soon as I get my Emmy, I'm never waiting online in the bodega
Ooh,
again. I'm walking
never.
through there, swinging the Emmy. If I knock your TT out, it's quiet for her.
Yo, it's collateral
Tell her
damage.
get low. Tell her do her lotto numbers later when Jesus ain't in the building. 'Cause right now I want to chop cheese, Aki.
Stat.
All right, and you better have that same energy when I get to the register.
I'll turn this grill
I'll turn this
upside
grill
down.
upside
dude.
down, Duke. Talking to the big blood. Yo, shout out to all my bodegas. They had the bodega strike yesterday.
That's right. Shout out to everybody holding it down.
I completely missed it
Yeah.
because we were at work.
Yeah.
And also, we live such sheltered lives that we don't go to bodegas. We have PAs.
That's true.
But, you know, I stand in solidarity
I stand
with
with all y'all.
Aki and Muhammad and Juan and Poppy and
All y'all.
Julio.
All y'all.
All of them. I don't know
Julio
your real
shut it
name.
down,
I'm
but
not. Listen, I might. Like, your real name is probably not Aki. But
Probably
guess what?
not,
That's
but-
what I'm calling you. I'm
but
calling
hey.
you Aki.
That's what niggas in the hood do. Like you don't make up your own nickname.
I
in the
give
hood.
you your nickname,
That's
nigga.
it. Like you know what I'm saying?
It's all right.
Like, that's it.
I know the nigga at the bodega's name is not Muhammad. But guess what?
Yo.
I'm not learning your real name.
That's my guy. You know what I'm saying?
All
That's my guy,
right,
Mommy.
I'm listen.
And
I
he
know
be hyped too.
He
shit.
be hyped.
Because he be seeing niggas call you your not name. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like he'd be like, oh,
he'll
word?
give
Like,
you a nickname too.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
He'd
saying?
be like, hey, skinny head.
He'll be like, yo,
Hey, my man, skinny
hey,
head.
my man, hey, ugly. Give you the wild disrespectful nickname. Hey, pizza face.
Yeah.
Your chopped cheese is ready.
Hey, pussy smell.
Yo, hey, it's my fat friend. How are you today?
You want 2 bacon, egg, and cheese today?
Yeah. I know you do, fat
you
motherfucker. Have a good day.
Yeah. Shout out to motherfuckers who come to and learn English in the hood and just use hood slang to like mean real things. Like my mom calls breast titties, be like for real. Like she'll be like, yo, titties means breasts.
Like Poppy at the my man Aki at the bodega, he uses the N-word.
Yeah, straight
You know what I'm
up.
saying? He's like, what's up, my nigga? And I'm like, yo, you too light for that. Okay, you are what we call a white Muslim. I need you to tone it down, my dude. He's like, yo, my nigga. But he means it very endearingly.
You know what I'm saying?
So you gotta let her cook.
You gotta let her rock.
You gotta cook. Because you know what?
Come on, son.
Is it offensive? Yes. But that time when you like something comes up to $5.25 and you got a 5, you don't got a quarter, and he's like, yo, it's all right. You got next time.
Nah, you my nigga for
Nah,
real.
you my nigga for real. You know, let me cook. All right, shout to
Because I
Aki
did that
there.
shit 15 times. Like, I owe you like
Exactly.
$28 in quarters.
Nothing is better than like Poppy is like, yo, I'm gonna let you cook. And then, you know, you walk
That's
off
it, you walk
and
off.
you come off
You
and then
come
like
leave.
you come back like a week later and shit and pay him back. That look in his face, he looks
He's
at
like-
you like, yo, we bonded for life.
He's like, yo,
Good
I was
money.
not expecting this at
And
all.
after- oh, because he remembered it. But that's like a hood test.
Yeah.
Also, shout out to, you know, these gotta be problematic. Shout out to all my white girls gentrifying the hood. Who get nicknames, because y'all get like 5 nicknames in the bodega.
yeah.
Becky,
Oh, yeah.
but like just making up white girl names. Nicole,
Oh, man.
just all types of shit. Hey, mommy. They get mad flirtatious with they get like free sandwiches and shit. Y'all be
what?
cooking.
Shout out to y'all.
Because you know the first chance Poppy gets, he's trying to play it back.
Yo, play your back for the culture.
Come down there like, I need light bulbs. I don't know what light bulb I
know what
need.
it is.
I don't know what light bulb is. And Poppy's like, I got you, mommy. I got you,
Mommy, let me help you right here.
Mommy, I got you.
Chequeando,
Look at you.
okay.
Come here, Blanquita.
Diablo, mommy.
Look at you.
Enjoy.
Why you don't have no man?
Mami, why you single?
Why you
Yo
single? You so
single
pretty.
también, yo single.
You so pretty. Why you single?
Sí, I single
Man,
too.
so stupid.
Yo
You're
te
so
single a ti,
beautiful.
mami, coño.
Niggas just pull out an acoustic guitar from behind the counter and shit.
Yo, it's funny because singar means to fuck in like Dominican slang.
Yeah.
So if you ask shorty like, yo, you single?
Yeah.
Like, tu single? Yo single, mommy.
If I die, you should. Oh, Dark Jesus. You should become a professor of like Dominican slang.
Slangology?
If I die, you should never do a joke again. Just become mad serious.
Man,
Go to-
dead straight James
Dead
Lipton
straight.
flow? Like,
and go on NPR and just do like. We're here with the kid Miro. We're here with the Professor Miro. He's going to talk
right.
about the Dominican dialect and the influence of slang and its spread from uptown.
that's right.
Professor.
In order to keep the memory of my brother Jesus alive, I have now become morbid Mero, and I will not be doing anything facetious whatsoever. Do you want me to ask? Go ahead and ask me anything you want.
We were interested in the spread of the term DK. How did that go to? Because we saw that spread across the East Coast.
that's
But
correct.
more importantly,
Yes.
I remember the term that the revolutionaries used when they were fighting Emperor Trump. I believe it was, I know fucking baby, I a fucking man.
Yes, that is correct. That was popularized by Jeffrey. I know fucking baby. Look at my dad. DK was popularized. You know what else starts with D? Death. Okay, death starts with D. And I don't want to talk about anything because I'm smacked.
My ghost is just standing over you doing the Stevie J like, yeah, nigga, don't give no hero. Yo, no jokes.
No jokes.
No more
nigga.
jokes for
Fuck
free,
outta
nigga.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shoot that dope. Oh no! Wait, why?
Join me, Miro. Join me. There's hoes in heaven. If you
There's
a
some
hoe,
hoes in this house.
if you're a hoe when you die, you're still a hoe in heaven, I imagine.
Yo.
If your body count, there's no such thing as body counts in heaven.
Yeah, no.
You can't be. If you live forever, because you live in forever.
How you
in
never-
heaven, you can't keep count.
You can't keep counting if you're eternal.
Also,
That's not fair.
If you go to heaven, you gotta use condoms. That shit is the wild buzzkill.
Yeah.
Imagine that. And
You
there's
get
like,
burnt in heaven.
imagine there's like one place to get condoms. It's like a big deal. Like every time you go there, like people are standing there clapping, like yeah. You're
that's
like,
my nigga
and you can
right
only get one condom at a time.
Yo, man, you ain't getting rounds tonight. What's you want to put on this?
You go get the condom with Jesus pat you on the back, like yeah, get it, nigga, yeah.
Get that nut off, daddy.
Give it up for the kid Miro. He is about to plow Sister Mary. Yeah.
I love my hair. Start doing the Billy Rock and shit.
Go
Like,
Miro. Go Miro. Go Miro.
hey.
Ga, 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 ga.
fuck it up.
He come back with a towel around his waist while over dick. Like, yo, can I get another condom? Like,
Yeah, niggas go for round 2. Oh shit.
You're like, I gotta do this can I get like what? They're like, no, one condom at a time.
Nah, man. Damn, can I get a pack? My nigga, damn.
I was like, this is wild.
I'm only going one round. Be like Ronda
Yo,
Rousey.
You gotta like sign off on a checklist and shit. Like, yo.
Yo.
Yeah.
Shout out the niggas using condoms in heaven. I'm definitely not using condoms in heaven. I'm like, yo, we already dead, B. Like, fuck, I'm using condom for.
It was, you know what?
Because the clinic in heaven is mad. Is mad
Maybe there's no healthcare in heaven. You don't be in heaven with AIDS, nigga. You know how what a buzzkill that would be?
Yeah.
You gotta take mad pills and you chilling on clouds and shit.
Yo, like, oh, damn. Oh, y'all niggas gonna go smoke hookah? Damn, nah, I gotta take these pills to go sleep.
Imagine you in heaven, you gotta go to the methadone clinic and shit.
Niggas, the only
You leaving it out in heaven?
nigga just talking to you and shit. You sitting there waiting for the bus. Niggas like, my baby just came out. I'm good, Bobby. I got my medicine.
You can't lead out when Jesus is talking to you.
My man. Jesus walked over. Bobby, I died on the cross for you, Bobby, okay? So you gotta talk to me with some respect. You know, you better have that same energy when I appear to you, you know what I'm saying?
Listen,
Go get me a Nutriment.
nah, heaven got to be popping.
Heaven
You
gotta
can't
be
be
lit.
for that.
Heaven gotta be lit. Because if heaven's whack, then hell is supposed to be the opposite of heaven. You know what I'm
Is
saying?
it? Because if you, here we go, with the religion report.
Religion and theocracy.
Because the whole idea of Satan is
kick that theology.
kick that theology for the
You know what I'm
knowledge,
saying?
yo.
You know what I mean?
Because basically, Satan is a fallen angel who turned his back against the grace of God.
right.
So basically, he saw the glory of God and was like, nah, I'm off that.
I'm good.
I'm doing my own thing.
Right.
We got our own thing. But so Satan was like, nah, I'm starting. You know what? Fuck this. I'm starting my own nightclub called Hell.
This is gonna be way more lit.
Shit's gonna be way more lit.
Free hookah.
Cause he was like, yo, niggas
Mad
don't,
hookah calls
he was like,
everywhere.
niggas don't gotta worship you. But if you like, that's the plot hole in the Bible. Cause then it's just like, yo, Satan shit is mad bad, and he wants you to do bad to come join him, and then he's gonna punish you. But if you think about it, why would Satan punish you for joining him?
Yeah.
Right?
Doesn't he want you to join up?
Right. So hell should
Yeah.
be popping. Like, why would he do God's dirty work?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
That's true. That's like Optimum being like, yo, sign up for cable, nigga. We'll charge you $500. And you get to watch the Knicks lose. That's all you get to watch.
yeah. See?
You don't get to watch when they win. You only get to watch when they lose.
But then if you think of, because then if that, there has to be some sort of retribution for people really bad. Like if
Right.
there was like in your head no place for Hitler to go and child molesters to go and murderers to go, what's the purpose of being good?
What about
which
purgatory? Well, it's like not purgatory. Was it? What is it? Limbo?
Limbo or purgatory, where you're nowhere.
Well, it's
You're
just nothing.
floating. It's
Yeah.
just nothing.
Yeah.
Which, if you think about it, is pretty terrifying.
It sucks.
That's terrifying.
Yeah.
But you don't have to worry about that because when you die, you dead. That's it. That's it. That's it. It's over. Your body goes in the grave. And then worms go in and out of you.
No!
You turn to fertilizer.
No!
Think about it. You're no longer with us.
Not yet.
You're in there.
I'm
If you
facing
think
my
about it,
mortality.
the whole idea of like funerals and shit, that shit is the wild fucking dick flute solo for humanity and shit. It's like, oh my God, I'm so great that my piece of garbage body should be wrapped in a dead tree.
My biodegradable content.
Right, and put underground and all this bullshit. Like, don't put your family through that.
The actual
That's
circle
why I
of
remember.
life.
I forgot what episode we were talking about. We were gonna make the organic graveyards. We just come through and dump your body, like a
man,
tire
you
yard. It's gonna be like a graveyard and shit. We just have some Mexicans
Yeah,
because
go ahead, bro.
we're paying the Mexicans to fool them out. That's not on some slave labor shit.
Yeah,
but
no. Fair wages for
fair
all.
wages.
For all. Well,
And
you know what I'm
yes,
saying?
they're unionized too.
True.
And you just dump the body off, no questions asked.
Yep.
And we just bury it.
Yep.
We just buy a lot and shit.
Mm-hmm.
And then after like the first or second year, you guys can buy the compost.
Oh, and then grow like a tree from it and be mad emotional.
We'll sell it
Yeah.
at farmers markets. You'll see us at Astor Place. We'll have on, not Astor Place. What's that? Union Square? Yes.
Yes.
The Union
The
Square
farmers
Farmers Market.
market,
We'll
yeah.
have on overalls and shit. Bodega Boys Human Compost. If you want to grow your best vegetables and shit. Should we do it by race? No, I don't. That feels a little Nazi. It's just like we have one part of the yard for like Chinese people, the other for
And then
Spanish.
motherfuckers will feel a certain way depending
Yeah.
on what's selling the best. You know
Oh
what I'm
my
saying?
god!
Like,
Oh my god! My squashes are growing great in the black people compost. I'm
Yeah.
like, wait a
Oh,
minute.
word?
Wait a minute.
why is that?
Why is that?
Huh? Is it blood on the leaves, brother?
Blood on the leaves. No one's buying the white compost.
Yeah.
What's going on?
It's really dry.
I don't know. When I use it, the food I grow is not flavorful.
It only grows kale.
No matter what you plant. And it complains a lot and asks for the manager. Racist.
Yeah.
Welcome to the racist show.
Yeah. Racist show. Yeah.
Can't wait till we get the big check from Sirius or XM or
To do the Wild Racist Morning Show.
Wild Racist Morning Show. Yeah. Shout out to Jamel Hill.
Yo, shout out to Jamel come through yesterday.
Came through on the
You know what I'm
show.
saying?
Had the fucking Mercy a lot. What she got, Mercy?
Maserati Quattroporte.
My God.
Which, let me tell you, as soon as we started doing TV shit, I'm like, yo, I'm copping the fire whip because niggas are going to make $1 bajillion in the first 6 months.
Right.
Obviously, it didn't work out like that.
Right.
But that doesn't stop me from coke dreaming. You know me. You know what I'm saying? So I went out and I looked for it. Look it up. It's a fire. Because I'm like, yo, I got kids, so I can't get a coupe. You know what I'm saying? I need a sedan or
That's
better.
true.
You know what I'm saying? And that
But
shit
see, that's
is
when you
four
bold and when you
door.
can have both.
Yeah, true.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I follow Rob Report and I always look, they always like, yo, here are the top like fucking whips of 2017 and like this shit start at like 300,000.
Yeah.
You can't have no fucking $300,000 car and live in the Bronx.
Nah.
Nigga, you
That's asking for trouble.
you might as well just like glue money to your body and walk
Yeah.
outside naked and be
Yeah.
like, please kill me.
Yeah. Fucking, you might as well just sleep with your doors open. You know what I'm saying? Just put all your money outside in a bag.
If someone thinks $50,000 is rich, you can't live in that. You
Bro.
can't live that.
Fam, I know motherfuckers that will kill another human being for probably like $5,000.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? And
I
that's
was
like, yo,
I was one of those
mad
people.
money.
Yeah,
You know?
like if you 3 months behind on your rent and shit.
Bro, I remember I cried because I lost $5.
Really?
Yeah. Like
I once-
went like tight and cried, bro. And I walked around Westchester Square for like 20 minutes looking for that shit. Tight.
Dog.
Because I was like, I have no money at all.
I once found $20 when I was like dead broke. Nigga, a tear came out my eye. Fam, it was just like I looked up in the sky. It was like a Will Smith movie. Cause when you were broke, $20 it's
Yo,
like $100.
fam.
It's like $1,000. Like that's like when you don't have $20. I forgot what I think I got like French fries or some shit. Like
Yeah, you
something
ball out.
reasonable. I didn't like ball all the way. I think I
You
like
have ball out. You're like, yo, I can spend this whole $5
I think
indiscriminately.
I got, yeah.
You take 5 out of that 20, like, you
I
think I'm
was
gonna do
like,
whatever
yeah.
with this shit.
I was like, let me get a. Yeah, I was like, yo, let me get a bag. Let me get a nickel bag and a Dutch. I was like, damn, that's kind of a lot right there. But fuck it, it's worth it.
Fuck it.
Cheat yourself, don't cheat yourself. You
You
gotta remember the broke boys days.
know what I'm saying? You throw a Snapple down the leg.
Whoa. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely a little shoplifting.
Shout to Hollywood.
Nothing's worse than having to like you're so hungry you gotta shoplift food.
Yo, that's real.
We all been there.
Yeah.
Hopefully you have me. Jesus and Miro went through that, so you don't have to go through
You
that.
have to go through that. Yo, and then I got to a point where I just like to boo shit now.
Yeah.
Man. I'm a scumbag. Like, I boo shit at the supermarket now in my current financial state. Like,
Really?
yeah.
What's wrong
It's
with
just
you?
a disease, nigga. It's from doing graffiti. Like, I'll never stop writing my name on shit, and I'll never stop stealing shit from
You know,
stores.
because you do petty crimes and shit.
Yeah.
Like, I'd be like smuggling like fucking crates of guns from the Ukraine and shit.
Yo, shout free Slava.
Don't talk about
Oh
that.
shit! Oh,
Sorry. It's not-
Yo, but yeah, yo, it just feels like I G'd off.
Yeah.
And I feel like I'm setting a terrible example for my kids because they'll just have shit in their hands and start to walk out, and Heather be like, "Hey, put that back." But if she don't see it and I see it, I'm just like,
You gotta set a good example for your kids.
You
It's
know
like
what I'm saying?
I remember the first time I heard my father curse, and I was standing right there and shit, and I was like, because he was cursing with my uncle, and I was like, yo, and he turned to me, he was like, never say these words. And right there, I was like, yeah, nigga.
I'm about to say all this
I was
shit.
like, yeah, nigga, I'm about to fuck it up.
Yo,
But yeah, you gotta set a good example for your kids.
yeah.
Make them be good Christians and Donald Trump's America. None of that Jew shit. Don't let Heather get them sent away.
Yo, what is Jared Kushner gonna do when Donald Trump gets the Jews out of here? Because he's
He's
getting
about to
everybody out of here.
disappear. They said that
He's gonna get everybody out of
They
here.
said they scheduled Bannon or somebody scheduled a meeting when they know he would wait for Shabbat or some shit like that.
see?
Shabbat.
See?
Listen,
Yo, y'all better get nervous. Yo,
Get
see, because it
nervous.
was like before, it was just like, oh, yo, blacks and Latinos. Yeah, fuck, your niggas are just.
listen, they're nationalists.
Yo, coming for everybody.
This is exactly what Call of Duty said was gonna happen, which is fucking mind blowing. This is mind blowing, and this is like y'all were like, remember last year it was like, oh, cops are shooting black people. Oh, that's y'all problem.
Yep.
You try to get everyone out.
Yep.
Some of you know, shout out to the immigration ban, but some of y'all that was affected by the immigration ban also voted for Trump. So how you feel now? You feel stupid.
Yep.
A lot of y'all feel stupid. You know what I'm saying? Taking away your health care.
That's right.
Man's evil.
You know what I'm saying?
And then the
niggas
worst part
fucking-
is you can't even, like, even if you impeach Trump, he's already fucked up the system and he's, like, polluted the shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, the shit got, like, Pierce and Pence and Bannon and all Kelly Conway and shit. Like, the shit is...
Just depressing.
It's just not
depressing.
You know, forget it.
And even Russia came out now and was like, "Yo, Donald Trump is kind of wilding," like in an official statement.
Like,
you know what I'm saying? So
he had a phone call with Putin yesterday, and they did not record it.
I mean, come on.
They turned off. See, here's the thing. Everyone's like that Donald Trump turned off the recording. My nigga,
2024 is coming before the Super Bowl.
You really think the NSA and all these government agencies was like, yo, okay, Donald Trump, if you would like to turn off this shit,
yeah, no
you
doubt.
can turn this shit off.
They give that nigga a fake switch.
They
Like,
gave
yeah,
that
go
nigga
ahead. Just flip the
controller
switch.
number 2, like, yo, go over there and play with that shit.
Yeah, your tails.
Okay, fuck that. God.
Yeah, nigga said, I'm
What's
signing
sad
your
is, like,
tails.
this is the one time you want to have faith in the United States government that it could fix itself.
Yeah.
But if you know anything about the United States government, we're pretty fucked.
Perfect. Yo, it's ill because it's like all this bullshit you learn in school, like, yo, the executive branch, the legislative
Checks and
branch, checks and
balances.
balances. Nobody can overthrow the government because the government is equally fair and balanced between
Right.
all three branches.
Because you know what? That's what if you play by the rules. But if you don't play by the rules, that's what it is. When people do not play by the rules, the game changes.
Yeah.
It's the whole, let's go back to the punching Nazis in the face. You're like, people shouldn't punch people in the face. If you want to be a Nazi and call for the extermination of a whole group of people, you're not playing by the rules.
You're not.
Therefore, we don't play by our rules. Therefore, knock, nigga.
Play knockout
All
early.
right? Take this slumber on the asphalt. Gracefully put your head on the curb and hope the bus don't run over you.
But come
Nazi
on.
skull. I'm playing Wolfenstein 3D in real life, nigga.
Yo, we should just go through Nazi events like the fuck Supreme nigga. Like, yo,
Just
fuck
knocking
Nazis,
niggas out,
nigga.
yeah.
Banging on my chest, nigga.
'Cause you know
What's
what
up,
it is? Niggas-
Banging on my chest.
Because like people, like I think a lot of people go to the protests not really that about it.
They're not.
You know what I'm
Not
saying? I
at all.
understand it.
Not at all.
We should do it. We're gonna do a Vice Land special and just go like to some alt-right shit next time they're talking in New York and just
Fam,
like knock
it
someone
is
out.
it's the power of the mob, baby. Like when niggas are in
Yo.
a mob,
And when you get
you know
amped
what
up,
I'm saying? Yeah.
when you are mobbing with niggas, or as they said for the
Yeah.
Central Park Five, who Donald Trump wanted killed,
by the way, took out the wild. What was that? The New York Times
the
Daily News?
article about
Yup.
they should be murdered, even though we were innocent. But when you wildin', I know that feeling when you a teenager, and it's like a group of. I remember like at what say IS 181, Co-op City after school, a mob of like 30 teenagers, 30 junior high school teenagers. We stealing shit from. Shout out to Cappy's Bodega in section 3, I think,
Hey.
or section 2.
Shut the cameras.
Doing bad shit that you would not normally do on your own, but now you feel empowered.
Yeah, you amped
the power
up.
of the mob.
Oh,
That was
amped
the Trump
up.
voters.
Yep. They were teenagers.
Also-
running wild. They were teenagers running up fucking Jerome to Big G Deli to throw mad mystics down the leg and be like, yo, fuck you, suck my dick. When Poppy's like, hey,
outta
you
here.
you stealing.
Yep. That's all he could do. He comes out from around the corner with the broken bat.
Like, yo, what the
Get
fuck?
out of here.
Like, yo, fuck you niggas, 40 of us and shit. Like, yo, fuck out of here.
Or
nigga.
over
Boo,
there on,
boo.
not Pelham Park. What is it? Over there by Columbus?
What
strip is that?
Isn't that Bruckner? What is the White Plains Road?
Oh, by the 4 train? Not Boston Road. Gun Hill Road. Over by Gun Hill Road.
Oh, yeah.
Over there.
Ooh,
And all
boy.
those schools mix over there.
No.
It's by Tracy Towers and shit. And that's why you see the wild fights. It's like niggas is like 15 deep fighting niggas and shit.
Yo, fam.
That mob mentality.
Yo, outside of every high school, Kennedy right there was Broadway. All these little, the main strip was right there, so it was always like mad, dramatic, fucking 50 people fighting all wild out. Yo, I remember this dude stole a whip. Somebody called the cops, so the cops seen him and turned the flashes on, and your man blew it. And this is down like, I don't know if it's like Paul Avenue, whatever that little street is next to Mashalou. Yo, your man was blowing it down that street, doing like 80, crashed the whip. The windows exploded from the impact. Your man jumped out the car, snatched the radio out the car, and bounced. You know what I'm saying? And that was the nigga that I went to school with, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, this is not normal. You know what I'm saying? Like, but yo, it was 100 of us, so it was normal.
Was it?
It was fun.
Was it normalized black man?
A Bronx Science nigga was probably nervous.
I feel like Bronx, our podcast is popular there.
Shout out to Bronx Science. Yo, we out here, squad.
Did you get into Bronx Science when you took the specialized test?
I missed the test. I literally missed that test by 2 points. I got into Brooklyn Tech, but I was like, Brooklyn is another planet. I was like, I'm not gonna. I was like, that's just
if
another
you're
planet.
in Brooklyn, Brooklyn Tech is popping. If you're in the Bronx, that's like you didn't.
Yeah,
that's why they call it the Bronx Science Test. Because
Yeah,
you want to get in the Bronx Science or Stuyvesant.
Yeah, Stuyvesant. Yeah. I missed that shit by 2 points, and I was like, I'm not going to fucking Brooklyn.
They didn't offer you the program where you go in the summertime to get extra credit?
I was like, I don't want to do that shit.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, I gotta make money. I gotta get a job. Like over here, friend. My pops was like, yeah, he's right. That nigga needs to get a job.
Yeah, I remember one day my father drove me and my sister around to like just mad stores, made us supply the shit.
Yep.
Home Depot, like every fast food place, just driving us around. He was like, nah, nigga, y'all having a job this summer, nigga.
True story. Yo, my
it was
pops
like
made me
school
get
ended
out
Thursday and it was like Friday. And I thought I was like, oh, I was sleeping. He was like,
wake
up. It's the first time I'm on.
Work time, nigga. Get up. Yo, my pops made me go into actual bodegas, like not just chain places. Like nigga took me to Home Depot, and took me to the fucking the McDonald's and all that other shit. But your man also made me go into like bodegas and be like, yo, can I break down boxes? Can I do? I was like, yo, Pop, you're embarrassing me, my nigga. I'm trying to like just rock these sneakers and like have sex with no condom.
Nope.
Fucking on my flow, Pop.
Nope. I remember I had one job where I had to be at the job at 6 a.m. and I got home at like 9 p.m. And I had to be like maybe 13. There was no working papers involved in nothing. My father just like lost me at a poker game or some shit. And I just showed up and I was like, yo, this shit is not legal. Yeah. They was like, get under that car and do an oil change. I was like, it's 100 degrees. This lady's been driving around all day.
Hot oil just hits you in your arm. Like,
I'm like, what is going on? Buck up, man. Yeah. Man rips over his chest. He's like, look at all these calluses. You get used to it. I'm like, no.
No, I don't.
I haven't got through puberty yet, nigga.
Yeah,
my voice
man.
hasn't cracked. What are you doing?
My pops had this fucking thing. I don't even know what the name of this thing is, but all I know is that it was like a forklift that was not motorized. It was like a fucking forklift, and you had to crank the shit like this for the shit to go up, whatever you had on the thing. And your man truly like somehow rigged this shit to go up onto like a second story roof with a rooftop AC unit and had me up there guiding the shit. Like, and that shit was just swaying back and forth like, my nigga, when I tell you that metal cord or whatever it was that was like the pulley thing snapped, that shit said king, whoosh, that shit said boof. I was like, my man, this shit missed crushing my leg to pieces by like 7 inches. He was like, yo, you good? And he came back up on the roof. He's like, damn. He's like, yo, they dented the shit.
Oh,
I was like, nigga, I could have died.
When I worked at that mechanic place, you know how like they have the hydraulic jack and shit. Yeah. So you know, I'm like, yo, I woke up at 6 a.m. Nigga, I'm tired. Like my little body can't take this shit. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna go in one of these cars. They just working on the oil with the engine and shit. I'm gonna take the wild nap in the back. So I'm taking a nap in the back, and I just hear.
Get the fuck in.
So now I'm in the back of the car, and I'm just on top of the hydraulic lift, and I can't be like, "Yo, let me down," because I'm not supposed to be napping in the back of the car. So I just gotta stay there while they're working on the car and shit. And I was just like, "Yo, how am I gonna do this when this shit comes back down?" I worked at that job for a week, and then I just walked off. I was like, "Yo, fuck this. I don't need this." I was like, "Fuck this. I'm gonna go join a gang. Fuck being a responsible person. Fuck you."
Yeah.
Oh my god, that shit! I was like taking the 41.
Shit is real. Shout out to Wednesday
because the mechanic shop was across from Twin Parks East Projects and shit. And one of the mechanics had gotten shot breaking up like a domestic dispute like the week before. He had the mad zipper shit on his stomach. And he was like, yo, don't ever get involved in an argument between a man and a woman. Look what happened.
Look what happened to me.
Trying to do a good thing. And look.
I got the wild freaky Zeke on my fucking gut.
I was like, damn. Like, I was like, yo, life is real.
Shit is real.
That shit aged me like 20 years in 3 days.
Oh, you kidding me? Dog, from elementary school to junior high, I became a man because that entire every summer, my pops had me up at fucking Hunts Point Market, like climbing on catwalks and shit, like wrenching shit and doing shit that a fucking 11-year-old should not be doing. But I was
like 14, coming to the bodega, buying a Beck's, walking home with the open container. Boy, I'll tell you something. I'll tell you, oh, y'all got free time?
Yeah.
Free time. Y'all got idle time. Y'all better use it. Don't make mistakes I made.
Yeah.
They're like, how old? I'm like, listen, I've seen a lot in my 14 years.
Yeah. That's why
things.
We need more after school programs in the hood.
Nigga, fuck after school programs. Niggas need to get jobs. Fuck that. Start a job.
Start jobs though.
Huh?
I feel like kids can have jobs. Like 13, like we had jobs when we was young. Like you can give kids jobs.
I mean, they can have after school. No, they do need after school programs.
You know what I'm saying? Like, don't OD. Like, the after-school program, and then
Donald Trump is
going
gonna make more jobs for kids, but it's gonna be like in coal mines. And
Donald Trump is going to
stitching
bring back
dolls and
all the
shit.
child labor shit like you read about in fucking school. Like, Triangle Shirtwaist Factory is going to reopen. You know what I'm saying? Grand reopening after all these years.
Yo, under new management. Yo,
Just mad toddlers in there and shit, making fucking
Just stitching
petticoats.
and shit. You gonna be mad when you find out like it's Miro's kids stitching up your Supreme and
Oh,
shit.
like,
Like,
yo, what the fuck, bro?
yo, you find out Heather's running a stress out. It's crowdsourced.
I mean, the niggas are texting me in the group chat and shit like, yo, how's work?
I'm sitting there like, yo, can Amari hurry up my fucking Yeezys? He's like,
He's like, yo, this is a manual loom, my nigga. Come on, son.
hurry up with that stitching. Listen, a little
Oh,
sloppy
shit,
there.
come on, man.
Come
Damn.
on.
I'm used to doing a fly knit, you know, man. Come
Kanye comes through like, hurry up, you little mosquito.
Yeah.
Oh
He's
man.
like, yo, man. My kids are saying, yo, we gonna jump this nigga's kids later.
Yeah, wait. I heard St. Paulo's pussy. Oh man.
Shout out to Triangle Shirtwaist. What the fuck is a shirtwaist, by the way? Is that like a whole, it's a shirt and also like pants together? It's a
what?
shirt that goes up to your waist?
I think it might be that. I mean,
Shout out to niggas being mad more plain spoken back in the day.
well, you know what the problem is? A lot of those factories and stuff, you know who they were making clothes for?
Nazis.
No. Slaves.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. How many people died in the shirtwaist fire?
I want to say like 110?
Close. 146.
Oh, okay.
123 women and 23 men.
Yep.
Yes. Both were
FYI,
Jews.
yeah, FYI, a lot of those people were kids, though, right?
Yeah, they were really young.
Yeah.
14 years old.
Yeah.
Was
So they
like-
say men and women, but it was really like 13 and
kids
12-year-olds and shit.
Wow. Oh, shout out to NYU who bought the building. Yo, NYU don't give a fizz.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
They bought like clubs and shit. They was like, who died here? Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Turned it into a residency.
Yo.
But it's a National Historic Landmark and a New York City landmark.
Oh,
So,
shit, okay.
Yes. Oh, they didn't like turn it into like school and shit, but you know what I'm saying?
Niggas turned this shit into a fucking student lounge.
Why did
Just
NYU
niggas
buy-
sleeping on couches?
NYU should buy Happy Land
Oh.
if you want to be, if you really care about New York.
Yeah, how about
Do
that? And turn it into low income housing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Speak on it.
Yeah.
Future mayor of the Bronx.
Yeah.
Kid Miro.
Yo, I can run you if you run on that platform, B, just be like, yo, low income housing. Niggas get so hype. They don't even know what that means.
You like if between the two of us, you would win mayor of the Bronx, Bronx Borough president
a mayoral
much
race?
easier than I would.
Well, I mean, well, you know.
All you gotta do is talk
optics,
Spanish once
man.
at a press conference. All the TT's going for
Holding
you.
two kids at the same time, talking Spanish.
You know, bring your whole family out.
Oh, God.
Talk about low income housing, the beauty of the Bronx.
Yo.
Say some shit like, "Yo, I am a son of the Bronx." Say that in Spanish right now.
Yo también soy el hijo del Bronx, como ustedes. Manos arriba, mi gente, unidos, mi gente. Poder para la gente. Yo, niggas been so hype. I'm some rocking Che Guevara shit.
Yo.
Niggas be like, ah, he's taking it too far.
you could become the Donald Trump of the Bronx. Take over the shit. He's like, I'm gonna build a wall around the Bronx. We are no longer associating with those lesser boroughs. They're gonna radicalize the alt Bronx.
Yo, keep white people out. Imagine, damn, keep
Kick them out.
all white people
We're kicking them out of Riverdale. Make Riverdale Bronx again. You Jews are on notice.
Yo,
My man Steve Bannon came up with a master plan. We're shutting down the bagel shops.
yo,
right.
yo. You really want to get people out of Riverdale? Shut down the bagel shops.
Shut down the bagel shops.
That will cripple the Riverdale economy.
Or make them have to actually press the elevator buttons
What?
on the Sabbath.
Yo!
All y'all niggas stuck on the first floor.
Fuck that.
You're not going home.
Yo, that's an industry, B.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Doing work for niggas on the Sabbath.
Yeah.
I feel like it is. It should be.
That's a wild flex. Shout out to Jewish people.
like, yo, I'm
Jewish
not doing
people was
shit
like, yo,
today.
y'all try to get us out the pay in World War II? Fuck
word?
that. We not pressing buttons now.
Yeah.
Guess what?
Fuck that.
Fuck that. I'm standing in this elevator.
Uh-huh.
My arms folded and it's going to the 8th floor. Look at me now. Check out my dab.
Yo.
Oh my, bang bang Jew
The
gang.
Jew Gang Squad. Is any Jewish holidays coming up?
Oh, there's always a Jewish holiday coming up.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. It's like the feast of Shalapa.
Yeah.
That sounds
Mr.
about right.
Shafar,
How come we don't
festival.
have? Yo, I was about to say, how come we don't like celebrate Muslim holidays? Because that's literally what Donald Trump's voters voted to make sure it doesn't happen. Sharia law Mondays. Hell
Yeah,
no!
fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Yo, he's wilding. Oh shit! Didn't he repeal some gun law shit where like
Yes.
you
You- even
no
if you-
background check if you're mentally ill or
If
some
you're
shit like that?
mentally ill, Yeah.
Wow.
Right now, you should drop that. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. See the gun store like. It's like, yo, let me get.
Nigga, I'm insane. Still got my M16. Yo. Wow.
Just come straight from the mental asylum. Like,
Yo.
I got 20 Mac 11s, about 838. Just buying all the guns. Just Walmart throwing them in the basket. Like, yo. They're like, sir, you can't ask me that.
Yeah. You know when you do that shit on the shopping cart where you run a little bit and then you jump on the shit and glide?
Just a guy with it. It's full of guns and shit.
There's mad niggas in Walmart right now doing that with a cart full of guns.
You got the guns at the register. They're like, wow, sir, all these guns are for you? You're like, no, they're for my 16 friends right here. Can't you see them? Laugh, guys. Which way's your local school? Dark teaser. See?
That's right.
No, was that laughter? Was that satire?
Yeah.
Was that the future?
The future you don't even know anymore.
You
Which is
don't even
sad.
know. Upside, downside.
You don't even know six is upside down tonight now. You don't even know what it is.
Woo!
Damn.
Other countries looking at America like, yo, what's really good with y'all niggas?
See? And it was funny because I say we, you know what I'm saying? But America used to be the fucking country that was like, yo, y'all niggas is cornballs. Like, yo, you wildin'. Oh, yo, y'all chopping motherfuckers' heads off. Ooh, you're bugging. Ooh, what you doing over there? Oh, y'all want to kill drug dealers? Ooh,
look at the Philippines.
Yo,
Look, their
look what he's saying
president is
about gay
killing
people.
niggas. Yo, that's wild. And now
wild.
everyone's like, yo, America is when you go to a house party and the people who threw the house party start having a wild personal argument, like wild early into the night, way too early for you to leave, and everyone's just sitting there uncomfortably.
Like, yo.
So why was Backpage in your browser then, Brad? And everyone's just like, yo.
Whoa. You're supposed to be using the computer for Spotify, you fucking
Whoa.
B.
Yo.
Can't believe you fucking do this shit in front of people.
Yo, I took my shoes off. I can't leave.
Fuck, man.
Yo.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Jeff. I'm sorry, man. She's fucking crazy, man. She's a fucking crazy bitch.
Why don't you tell them how you post big finds on Twitter? You like big black women, huh? Huh, Brad?
Jeff, man.
I'm not a big black woman, so tell me what you really like.
Fuck. Why are you fucking going through my shit, man? I said you were supposed to use the fucking
Oh my
computer
God, I just
to
came
fucking
here-
put music
I just
on,
came here
man.
for the potluck.
It's fucking incredible.
Hey,
I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry about this.
Hi.
She's just a fucking B, man.
Can I get the address? Because I'm gonna call it Uber.
No, man. Just stick around. I'm sorry, man. She's just being a total B.
Okay.
Total B. Just shut up. Just shut up.
All right, that's cool.
Just hang out, please. Okay. I got a new Toby Keith CD.
I saw you like Jamila LaRue's bikini photos on Instagram.
Nah, fuck this. We out of here.
You
Yo,
like
Jeff,
chocolate
we gotta
bread?
get the fuck- Yo, Jeff,
you like chocolate bread?
Jeff,
huh?
I was quiet for long enough. We gotta go. Let's go. These niggas is crazy. Shorty's
I'm
about
not
to fuck this
comfortable
nigga
here.
up.
I'm not comfortable here.
Let's
I'm not
go.
comfortable here.
Let's get
That's
out of
Great
here.
Britain and Great Britain and Australia. I was like, yo, these niggas gonna fight? These niggas gonna get a divorce and shit? Just America falling apart in the living room.
apart.
It's not right.
It's like watch your mom and dad argue.
No, Dad, don't fight for that.
Don't fight mama. But who's mama, who's dad? I don't even know who's in this situation.
I don't know. America's just looking.
Yeah. We're
America's
in a
looking wild,
foster home.
shaky. Like even for all its faults and shit. Like I didn't really bang with it. I mean, I live in America.
Yeah.
I bang with America. But the idea of it now is just like, yo, like even white people is just like, yo, what's going on?
What's going on
Come
here?
on, man.
Yo, it's wild, B. I'm Dominican. I love the Dominican Republic. Yo, de lo mío personal food, you already know, all day. I'm always still been like, yo, there's electricity here. It's reliable. There's shit that I might not be able to have if I was in DR. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And now I'm thinking like, yo, like the scales are tipped. The scales are being tipped more. You know what I'm saying? Like now it's not like such an obvious choice that this is such a great place. You know what I'm saying? Like if you see like the path the niggas on and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm riding this shit out till the wheels fall off.
Oh, definitely.
Don't get me wrong,
Definitely.
but like
Low key, I'm excited.
Shit's
Like
a
we
little
might
shaky.
actually have to like take to the streets and shit.
that'd be. You know what's crazy? That's kind of like
Kind of lit.
I don't know if this is like our Bronx upbringing and being
I
like, yo,
can't wait.
chaos is kind of lit,
I
but
can't
like,
wait. We've been traded like Call of Duty, Division,
You know what I'm saying?
Walking Dead,
yo,
New York City public schools.
I just can't wait
Niggas
for
is
shit
waiting
to,
for the- like,
look,
no.
to me, like you know when people talk about the weather and they're like, yo, the perfect weather is hoodie weather
Mm-hmm.
because it's like you can rock a hoodie and be comfortable, but it's not too cold, it's not too. For me, the perfect stage of like society deterioration is like niggas don't care about you smoking weed in the street. They don't care about you doing graffiti in the street or wilding, pissing, or like occasional looting.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Or like stealing shit. That's like the perfect. Like, yo,
Yeah, you
we're not full purge where like
Right.
niggas get murdered in the street, but it's like, yo,
We about to be there,
I'm
but-
stealing these Timbs, nigga. Like I'm
Yeah.
taking these shits.
Oh my god, you gonna be out there champion hoodies and shit. burn the shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Setting
Just
car
start
fires and shit.
steal a
Burn the
Bentley
shit
and
down.
shit. You know what I mean?
Damn, you know what's sad? The
Steal a
Bronx,
Bentley, joyride the shit, crash it, jump out, don't
the
care.
Bronx case so far, we about to burn that shit down again.
You know what I'm
Bronx
saying?
Burning Part 2, baby. Wait till I set that Chipotle before the road on fire.
Yeah.
Like,
Are
yo.
we nihilists? Is that what we are right now? But yo, it's
We're anti-fascist.
We're litist.
Yes. Because I feel like there are alt-right people at Fordham University.
There might be.
There has to be.
There has to
I've
be.
seen them on the Metro North.
There has to be. At every private college, there has to be like, you know what I'm saying? Like
right.
Trumpians. You know what I'm
So the Bodega Boy Challenge this weekend, knock out a Nazi and hashtag it.
Yeah.
And tweet it at us.
saying? Duff a Nazi.
Duff a Nazi. Duff a Nazi.
Duff a Nazi.
But that's wild. There's like that's the sides we're drawing up now.
Yeah.
People are talking about race war. It's not a war
not
of
race,
race.
man.
It's a war of ideas.
Yeah.
Ideals.
Yeah.
Do you believe in America? Yeah. Do you believe in, even though America was a flawed society built on racism and patriarchy, do you still believe that it had a chance to be great? And if so, do you want to return to having it and then it a chance to work out its evils?
That's true.
Or do you want it to fall under to Bannon and Trump? Huh?
You want to just
You want to lose
burn?
this? The
Yo,
shit?
listen. The Roman Empire ended. I bet you like the last 4 or 5 years of the Roman Empire, niggas was like, yeah, nigga, we out here rocking, nigga.
we got this.
We in the bathhouse, niggas lit. Grrr, we having a toga party,
that
nigga.
shit's good. I just fucked the guy. I just fucked the girl. I just fucked the goat. It's all loose, whatever.
Yo, pass that vino, my nigga.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Remember Pax Britannica? Remember that? Everything. The Empire, the British Empire. Where's the British Empire now?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Look at the Queen. She looking shaky.
Wild shaky.
She eating digestive biscuits and shit.
Looking like she can't take a punch at all.
At all.
She
Everyone
might
eventually
perish.
falls. Everyone eventually falls.
You know what I mean?
That's the thing. The hubris of America. We're like, yo, we can't
We can't lose.
We can't lose.
We can't
America
lose,
can't,
nigga.
America can lose. You know who can't lose? Parker Lewis.
Yeah.
Parker Lewis.
That's
can't
about it.
lose. That's about it.
You know what I'm saying? It's Donald J. Trump, nigga. Turn the J upside down. It's the L
Right,
now.
he's winning for himself. He don't care.
don't
He
care.
he's 71. He don't give a fuck.
Bro,
He
he don't
about to
care.
die.
That's what I'm saying.
So who cares what's left behind?
Yo, and it's so ill because there's so much footage. Your man's has been in the public eye for so long. There's so much footage. There's so much. Your man, it's not a rumor. Like, it's not, you know what I mean? Like, niggas wasn't, he didn't trick nobody. Like, your man was what he was for the past
He
fucking
said it. He
30
was like,
years.
he did that poem about I'm a snake. I am what I am. Oh, but listen, he's cashing out. He's cashing out. Can we get guns now though? Have you ever been mentally?
Oh, shit.
Have you ever? Oh no, because on the federal level.
On the federal level, yeah.
But on the state level, it's still bad. Shout out
Shout out to all the governors, though, that are like, yo, fuck Trump. Like, we not riding with him and shit.
But we
etc.
probably should get guns. To
That's
be
very
honest,
true.
you have kids.
Yeah, for sure.
You need to protect your
For
family.
sure.
You need to come through with the Wild Mossberg.
Hell
HK and
SK?
We need the HK Heckler Koch.
Yeah.
Give us guns.
Word, yo, Heckler Koch holla.
Holla
You know what I'm
at us.
saying?
Get
My
the
brother,
Glock.
got the Heckler Koch pistol grip pump. Shit looks
Listen, you need
official.
that.
You know what I'm saying?
You don't need, because you know what, for like a home invasion and shit, a good like
Shotgun, that's all you need.
a shot. You don't even gotta fire a shot. Just the sound of you.
Yeah,
Niggas
yo.
is leaving.
Niggas see that shotgun, they're like, yo, I don't want to leave out of here looking like a bagel.
But then also you want to live the American dream and kill somebody.
True.
And like they're leaving out your house, and you be like, no, turn around.
Yo.
Turn around.
Yo, not for nothing. We've said this many times on this show.
Say it.
Our entire upbringing, you know what I'm saying, society, whatever, we have been trained to we've been desensitized. Life is cheap.
Life is so cheap.
Fam, that said, how fucking lit would it be if somebody tried to break in my crib and like do harm to my children? I was just like, wow,
Do that nigga just-
Boogang!
Just half.
And
Just,
it- yo,
just got the hole through him.
Straight burger, and the
The
nigga just
back
on the
of his
floor
shit
like,
got blood coming through.
yeah,
And
you
gotta do
fuck with the wrong one. I call my kids over here like, yo, look at this nigga.
this nigga. Look at this nigga. Go slap him. Go slap him. Look at this nigga still leaking.
Like my son that did the fake shit at the funeral.
Yeah.
Sal will smack the shit out the cigarette.
Go in his pockets, take out his ID. Like,
Yo.
oh, Timothy, what?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking coward.
Yeah. He's like,
Throw the shit in his face.
Oh God.
Oh, God. Yeah, like, yo.
Yeah.
Pass
Yeah.
shit to my kid like, yo, finish him.
Put the gun in his mouth, like, mad slow and shit. Like, yo, in and out. Like, yeah. You want to run up in niggas' houses?
Yeah, son.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah. How the fuck you run up in your house, nigga? Put a gun up in your mouth, nigga. You ever heard that?
Shit? Sodomizing him with the gun and shit for your kids. Right. You go to my house and what happens? Look at him.
My kid's like,
Look me in
yo.
the eye. Look me in the eye. He's like,
He was
your
like,
kids are like, yo,
yo.
dad, you wildin'.
Yo, you wildin', nigga. I was just playing Lego X-Mans, yo. Like, what's really good? Like,
Nah,
can I
look
go
at
back?
him. You ever disrespect a man's castle?
Yo, I'm just thinking of like the shit like after the whole scene gets cleared and shit, niggas go and the cops come in there like, yo, congratulations, you defended your home. Like,
Hey,
yeah.
another one off the streets. We're not even gonna do a write up for this. It's great, good job on you. Another one.
Yeah, and then I look at the door and it's a wild fucking buckshot in the door.
Yeah. But you know what you did think about is like the cops don't clean up the fucking murder scene,
No,
like
they don't.
the blood and shit.
You got to clean it up yourself, or does
Yes.
you got to hire somebody?
You gotta hire someone. 'Cause, I mean,
or does your house insurance cover that? Homeowners insurance should cover that.
it should cover that. It might. You have to check.
Yeah.
But then again, like you should hire.
definitely gotta check that.
You gotta hire professionals, but I feel like since we're immigrant children,
I'm just doing shit only.
just a little fabuloso,
Yo, that's it. I'm going to Dollar Tree and buying new sponges,
a little pie saw. You're like,
it.
yo, fuck this.
some old
A little
towels.
steel wool. Just scrub. Got the fucking steamer you use on your clothes and shit. Looks like it's good enough.
Yeah.
Your dog doesn't want to go in that corner and shit. Every time it goes, it's like. People walk in. Your house smells like death. Well, I got it under value, so
So,
you know, you deal with that. Did someone die in your mudroom? Perhaps so. Whatever.
I mean, whatever. It's just a mudroom.
You got to like remove the comment on Zillow. There was like someone was murdered there. Correction. This is fake news.
You are fake news.
No one was murdered there. Someone
outta here.
accidentally homicided themselves. And no one was sodomized with a gun in my mudroom.
Are you kidding me?
Look,
That makes no sense. Those are my kids. They're wilding.
TMZ reports Kid Mero sodomized a man with a gun in a home invasion after the man choked out his horse.
Shout out to homie that's selling me the crib though. He's about to sell me the wild section
Shout out
for
to
a
you.
G.
You got your house on deck.
Yeah, now I do what I want.
Got the house on deck.
Do what I want. Half an hour away from Dykeman.
So you can walk there.
I can walk there and get some fried pig ears.
So we gonna see you at La Marina?
It was, nigga, I might not be the Mesh Marina, but I might be in the building.
Come through.
That's gonna be like my brunch spot probably.
I would love to see you come through on like the jet ski.
Yo,
Just pull up
from out
like,
the Hudson and
yo,
shit like.
I'm like, yo. And Mike Jenner's like, yo, give it up for Kid Mero. Got the wild Dominican flag on the back. Like, yo.
That's good.
You got no fucking baby holding on to you and shit.
with the little swimmy wings on and shit.
You got on a life vest. I know fucking baby, but I know fucking swimmer either.
Yeah, nigga, this shit is like a bubble guppy shit. Like,
I love to see it. That's the flyer for La Marina this summer.
yo, all y'all Photoshop geniuses make that happen.
I wear that on a t-shirt.
Yo,
No, shout out to you getting the house, man.
yo, word.
Get in the house, moving big things. I'm still looking. I'm trying to upgrade my.
What do you? Yo, where are you? What are you thinking? Condo, apartment, townhome? You know what I'm saying? Like
Probably an
you know what I'm
apartment.
saying?
Probably an apartment. I'm looking. You know, Brooklyn's looking kind of wavy. Trying to move to Vice, but you know, anything could happen. Anything's possible. Also, the city's looking kind of dope right now. The prices is coming down for city apartments. And there's nothing better than living in Manhattan, man.
Yeah.
That could be, you know, if something happens, I could go on the news like, oh my God, it was so close to me. Oh my God, like, you know, I just live in fear of a terrorist attack every day. But you know,
They
I'm
catch you walking to the store to get entourages and shit.
Yeah, I got the wild tips with no laces and shit.
Like, how do you feel about this? Somebody put a bomb in this pressure cooker. How do you feel about this, sir?
I mean, that's wild and shit. Like, I hope that doesn't like affect the car that picked me up to it, and I'd be driving to Viceland and do my TV show.
Wow,
and
it's
shit,
amazing.
You know what I mean?
Congratulations on that.
No, thanks.
Do you live in fear of constant terror in your neighborhood?
Nah, not really, because I'm black, but I have enough money to live in a nice neighborhood, so
Oh,
I have
that's
the
true,
best of both worlds.
Absolutely.
Shit, you know, I'm banging out my neighbor.
Hi, I'm Jessica Cunnington. This is New York 12.
It's true.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be. Did you see Tyson Beckford put a gun on a process server?
What?
Yes, but he has a concealed license. Concealed weapons license. We met him at a Beyonce concert.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was trying to be low. Wow. See you, nigga.
I seen him at an ASAP Ferg listening party, and he came through and went straight to the bar, and it was sponsored by Henny. Your man grabbed a bottle of Hennessy from behind the bar and started drinking it. I was like,
you could do that.
I was like, what did you just do? I was like, you could do that? I was like, I don't know niggas can do that.
Bad news. Bobby Shmurda might be getting 4 additional years for trying to smuggle a shank into Rikers Island.
Oh,
in
no.
2015. You know what? He's at that point now. He's gonna be there for a minute, so you might as well like.
Bobby,
Damn.
come on, man, you got GS9 with you, bro.
Because even if he got out today, he would still be hot. But if he gets out like, because he's doing mad time now.
Yeah, what is it? 7 plus 4 years? Are they concurrent?
No.
Oh,
No, because if you do something, if you commit a crime like that in prison,
while
it's
being present,
addition.
it's addition.
Like if you attack a nigga, you charge with assault. They take you out of Rikers. They bring you to the precinct. They bring you to the courthouse, and they charge you as if you was assault on the street and add it onto your sentence. So if you have life, it doesn't matter. Like you just shanking niggas and raping niggas and doing whatever you want and like smuggling tobacco in your butthole,
You're okay.
and eating soups, and then you make hot coffee and you throw it on a nieta
Yeah.
in the day room.
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah, nigga.
It's wars,
War,
nigga.
nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
That nigga's blinded.
It's the Bloods,
You start
nigga.
beating him up.
It's the Bloods versus
'Cause you know
Patria, nigga,
It's
versus
gonna take
Nietas.
2 minutes for the fucking turtles
shit.
to get there and break that shit up.
Oh,
so you
shit.
just wilding on this nigga.
Trinitarios, nigga, yo,
And niggas like,
Trinitarios versus everybody, yo.
stop. You just cut this nigga's face. Don't go to jail, nigga.
Shout out to all the jail gangs. What's the wild active jail? I feel like I'm out of
You got the
loop.
Bloods, you got the Nietas, you got the Aryan Nation,
shout out to-
you got the Gangster Disciples,
Shout out to Trinitarios
you got
out
the
here.
Crips,
You know what I'm saying?
you got what else you got? Trinitarios.
True.
What else you got? We got La M.A. Mexican Mafia.
Oh, the MS-13. I forgot about those
MS-13's
niggas.
out there.
Those
you know what
niggas
I'm saying?
are wild boys.
Niggas out there, yo.
God damn.
Don't go to jail, niggas. You know what they were saying? Somebody was saying that we need to get rid of prisons.
Yeah, my sister-in-law's been on that way forever.
Yeah. And at first I was like, whoa, let's chill.
Let's chill. But then,
Let's
I mean, but there's
chill.
alternatives. I
Let's
mean,
wait a while.
yeah.
But no,
I feel like getting rid of prisons in the sense of what they are now is definitely a good idea.
Yeah.
What are you gonna make it into is the question. You know what I'm saying?
because
Like,
prison doesn't fix anything.
It doesn't.
It doesn't rehabilitate anything.
Not at all. Have you ever seen that's the like because we both know plenty of jail niggas like they come home and it's like now
You're
you're
worse off.
now you're a jail nigga like straight
Yeah,
up like you
yeah.
went in before you was Danny, now you came back home and you a jail nigga.
You a jail nigga.
Like, and it's
You inmate 172745.
Yo, your whole mentality is different. Your whole outlook on life is different. How you
eat food,
how you
go to the shower, just how you
everything.
function.
It's society.
How you even interact with people, how you have
Straight up,
conversations.
everything's
and shit.
completely different.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, like you basically send a nigga to jail, ruin them, and then let them back into society and expect them
They
to
should close
like, do better.
Rikers and they could turn it into like a tourist place and like have tours and shit.
Yeah,
And
like
they can live that
Alcatraz.
way.
Is
Yeah,
Alcatraz closed? Yeah, right.
I believe so. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do that with Rikers. You know what I'm saying? Tell cool stories about it.
No one's ever broken out of Rikers and swam across that water. You can't swim that
Except
water.
the shark from Morris Park. He swam home from Rankins. Oh my God. He man really said that. Shout out to him.
Oh man.
I swam home from Rankins.
We gotta do our show at Rikers. We gotta set that shit
True.
up, that live show.
And then final thing, and then shut it down after
Shut it
that.
down after that.
Just have a
Yeah.
wild riot and just burn it to the
Burn
ground.
that shit down. Be a CEO to death.
Yo.
They can't do that.
Yo.
The CEOs and Rikers like the show. They
Yo,
listen
shout
to
out to
the podcast.
CEOs. Shout out to CEOs. But y'all could be CEOs somewhere else, B. Come on,
Oh,
son.
yeah. You know the thing, you can't be mad at CEOs for being CEOs because it's a cush gig. But at the same time, you're a CEO. You know what I'm saying? You're the ops.
Come
let's
on.
just keep it
Let's be real.
100. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
Like,
saying?
I'm more likely to meet you on the other side of the bars than I am to meet you at a bar.
You know what I mean? Probably.
So,
CEOs go to cop bars, right? They do like cop things, or do they do their own thing?
no, they go to cop things.
They do cop things, right?
Cops stick together.
Because I always wonder, like, yo, do CEOs? Because I know this, like, 9/11 fucked everything up. Like, you know what I'm saying? The alliances between like the cops and fire department and all that shit. Like, where do CEOs stand?
CEOs are
Pull
like,
us up, hear your story.
yeah, I think it's like this. Cops,
Yeah,
everyone sucks their dicks.
all day.
Top of the pyramid.
Mm-hmm.
Firefighters right here. I want to say CEOs are like right underneath that. Garbage men and CEO. Who's higher, garbage men or CEOs?
I think garbage man,
Garbage men.
especially in New York, because you get the winter snow and shit.
Yeah, because they use their badges to get on the subway for free. That's the big thing about being like a municipal worker.
Yeah?
That you flash it and they always let you.
Oh,
do
shit.
The unions.
Shout
So
out to
yeah.
that.
And then you got like auxiliary cops, street cleaners, and you're like, that's not a real thing.
Yo, auxiliary cops.
Auxiliary cops.
Yo, what are
Shout out
you
to auxiliary cops fucking up the bodegas, buying beer and buying cigarettes when you're underage because you got the peach face.
Yo.
And you come back and shut down. And Aki, you know, if they sell you a single blunt wrap, a single entourage,
It's like a $10,000 fine or some shit like that, isn't it?
some wild
Yeah,
fine like
yeah.
that. Like,
I remember
on.
I went to go get cones at the spot where I was getting cones before my current spot.
speak on it.
Is shout out to East Tremont for having 6 bodegas on the same block and all across the street from each other.
Gee,
but that works for me. Spot I went in there to go cop cones. There's mad cops, and I'm like, yo, what the fuck is going on? I'm like, I'm out of here. I came back, and homie was like, yo, I sold a fucking not even a tobacco thing, like a paraphernalia, like a weed grinder to an underage person, and he's like, yo, they try to shut me down. He's like, yo, they finding me, this, that, the third. He's like, yo, my dad is gonna kill me because it was a younger nigga that was working when he did it. So he got popped. You know what I'm saying? Yo, come on, B. That's all you niggas is doing is fucking up niggas' lives, bro. For some bullshit.
Yeah, but you know, some people are born to be snitches.
That's true.
Well, do you think snitches? You think snitches go to heaven,
Is it snitches go to heaven?
or are they just in hell snitching?
They might be in hell snitching. Like, yo, you see what this nigga's doing? Ooh,
I'm telling.
Ooh, he's putting a pineapple in Hitler's butt. Ooh.
If you think about it, okay, there's heaven and then there's hell. So who goes to hell though? Hell was like bad, but Satan just like evil.
Biggie said he wanted to go to hell because he didn't want to go to heaven.
What if hell is mad lit and it's just they never had good PR?
What if
Like Satan never hired the right advertising agency, so that the Bible got out, which is just fake news from God.
He was just doing the shit.
And he was
in-house.
like, "Yo, make me look good in the shit." And now we don't know the true story about Satan. You go there and it's pretty lit. The shit's like Antigua. You're like, "Yo," you're like, "Oh, I didn't know."
I didn't know.
Shit was pretty popping.
Yo, y'all should do more ads.
He's like, "Yo, like you can roast yourself by the fire and get a tan. It's like we're not burning flesh."
Hey.
We have wacky Thursdays. You can wear a Hawaiian shirt, unlimited drinks.
Have you ever thought of advertising on Craigslist?
Come on. We bought Google Ads. We quickly overran our AdWords budget, but you know we're gonna try another campaign in March.
Okay.
Yeah.
You gotta really get the word out. This place is really nice.
Yeah. Hitler's not here. Why would Hitler be here?
Oh, he's not.
He confessed on his deathbed. He's actually in heaven.
Oh, wow.
How fucking tight would you be?
Wow.
You walk into the pearly gates of heaven and Hitler's there. He's like, Dukes and Goggin, deathbed confessional. You'd be like, yeah, fight
fingers
that.
crossed. Damn.
You don't want to have to do a protest in heaven. You protesting Hitler up there in front of his house and shit.
Like, yo.
With a mad cloud sign. The people, united, will never be divided. Get Hitler out of heaven. Get Hitler out of heaven.
Niggas start doing the cha-cha slide. I seen it work down there.
It worked out there in the last episode. Jesus is there with a pink pussy hat. I'm like, yo, dog, why are you protesting? Can't you kick him? It's my father's rules, bro.
Bruh. It's freedom of speech, bruh.
It's up to him and my other brother.
Hey, man, listen. You can't just punch a Nazi.
I'm sorry, man. Like, if we punch a Nazi, like, we become them.
You know?
You know, it's like my brother Tim Tebow says, like, you become a fascist if you limit their freedom of speech.
Right, Tim?
Right, Tim? Tim takes a knee in front of Hitler's house. Like,
He's like, yo.
Yeah. Get him out of here. Sorry, guys. I gotta go. I gotta go hit a home run.
Yo. I gotta go get my weekly BJ from Skip Bayless.
Who is the most evil person you know in your life? Or know of?
Personally?
No, you don't have to know personally.
Oh.
But when you think of the definition, the personification of evil, you think of this person.
Damn, like Hitler's pretty bad. He killed mad people, but it's like that's such an easy.
That's an easy goal.
That's like an easy one. That Martin Shkreli guy was an asshole. What drug was it that he boosted the price of? Was it an AIDS medicine or was
Something
it
like that,
some
right?
cancer shit?
It's a parasite that lives in it's a toxoplasmosis drug.
Anybody that's trying to get medicine out of reach of people is like straight pure evil. You know what I'm saying? But then I'm trying to think. There's also mad people who just did like killed mad people and wild out and shit. There's a lot of evil people in this world.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Mine would be Delphine LaLaurie.
Who the fuck is that?
Oh, you've never heard of Delphine Madame LaLaurie. She was a New Orleans socialite, and serial killer. And she was infamous for torturing and murdering her household slaves. Like, she cut off their genitals and shit like that.
What?
And like buy new slaves and do it to more of them and shit. In New Orleans. 1834.
What?
Yeah, people don't know about it.
Sick
you can
fuck.
tour her house. Like, that shit is like an everyday attraction. Like, I saw a pamphlet for it.
Yeah.
Like, New Orleans. I was like, how bad could this shit be? And I was like, at that tour, I looked at every white person like, I should kill every one of you before we get back on the bus.
Wow.
But I'm gone off the hurricanes, so I'm gonna let y'all cook.
Yo.
Also, it's 100 degrees and very humid down here.
Yo, we should do a horror movie set in 1834 where we travel back in time and go to her crib and reverse the roles and have the slaves dressed up and torture her and kill her.
That's what we do. This is a movie. It's like a white lady, young white lady, 20-year-old,
Yeah.
Tommy Lorraine looking bitch. Goes Bourbon Street, da-da-da. She's getting the beach, showing the titties. I got the beach. Jason Hurricane, da-da-da. She feels dizzy, goes, passes out in her hotel room. She wakes up. She's a slave. But every time she looks in the mirror, she's a reflection of a black woman.
Oh.
And she's trying to explain to everyone. She's like, I don't belong here. I don't belong here. I'm from the future. And everyone, like, she's getting whipped and shit. Yeah. And she's trying to figure out how to get back to, like, 2017. Who could play this white woman?
Amy Adams plays a white woman.
I love it. I love
Lupita obviously plays
it. Her best friend.
her best friend.
Her best friend who turns her in at the end. That's the trick ending because it's an M. Night Shyamalan movie.
Yeah.
And it turns out she actually was not a slave. She just has like a really bad hangover. And she wakes up. And she just puts an aspirin.
She
She's
did
like, oh my
terrible
God.
coke and shit.
But then she looks on her back and there's a slave mark. The whip marks.
Oh shit.
And it goes to credits.
Oh.
And then me and you in tuxes at what movie? What show gets movies for films?
Cans?
What the cans? Yes.
I was like, I said the S at the end like a real fucking uncultured asshole.
And we just win all these awards for it because people don't realize it's like it was like it's so gripping. It's about the times.
It's so subversive.
Yes. She's got that. There's like a scene where she's like walking down Bourbon Street and she's like woozy and she's like, oh, I don't know what's going on. And it's like it does a quick cut to like Cotton and everyone's like, what does that mean?
Yo, Richard Linklater, holler, bruh.
Listen, we're making movies out here. We're making art. We're making the art.
Yo, niggas is moving.
That's what we're doing, man.
Is there anything good to eat?
Around here, we're gonna find out.
I said this shit mad generally.
I thought you were saying. Did you think you were saying that inside your head? Because you wasn't saying that inside your head. You were saying that like out loud. As we record the art episode 54.
That's right.
We talk about a lot of things here. Talked about punching Nazis. Talked
Punching
about
Nazis
your house.
and shit.
Talked about people cutting off slaves' genitals.
Wow, it's terrible.
You running for Bronx Borough president.
Sígueme, mi gente. Damn, niggas really trying to trade Melo though.
Oh, you know what it is. Phil Jackson is a hater.
Are you Phil? Are you Team Melo? Or you Team Phil?
Team Mello for life.
My
Team
guy.
Mello for
My
life. You
guy.
know what it is.
You already know.
I saw him
God.
break the scoring title. You know
That's
it's Mello got all day.
That's right.
All day I got
United
Mello.jp.
can never be divided.
The Mello United will never be divided.
That's right.
Mello. When he comes out with that parade after the game, I was like, yo, lead us into battle, Mello.
Libertad.
Mello's going to lead us to defeat Donald Trump.
Yeah.
With the jab step.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
He's going to shoot a Jay Wright and ban his face.
Right in his fucking face.
They're going to be like, 1, 2, 3. He's going to adjust his headband like, yeah. And Lala's going to be like, that's my man.
That's my boo.
That's
yeah.
my boo, yeah.
He's aggressive.
He's aggressive. Watch me in power.
Yeah.
We stand with you, Mello.
Yeah.
All right.
all
You
day.
know it's me and you all day.
Holla, it's your boys.
All right. You know what it is. Episode 54.
You know what I'm saying?
Sorry, guys. We gave you too much free. We gave you too much free. Time for us to go.
Give us free.
This is like when you cuddling with people after sex, and it's like, yo, I gotta go to work.
Yo,
and you don't want to get up. And it's like,
like-
no. She's like, no, a couple more minutes. And you're like, chilling. It's comfortable, but you're like, I gotta go to work.
man,
And you're doing
come
that thing. You're
on.
trying to pull away, but you're not really pulling away and shit. You're like, yo, maybe I'll smash a little bit more. And you go and you do a couple more pumps, but then you're like, yo, I gotta go to work
I
for
gotta
real.
work,
She's like,
yeah.
chill, don't. So you do one more. And you're like, yo, chill, I gotta go. And she's like, no, come on.
Yeah.
And you're like, no, I gotta go. I got my training. Come on, I gotta go.
And then you bust a nut,
Yeah.
and you fall asleep until fucking 2 o'clock, and you lose your job.
All right, I don't know about all that, but it's sad. It's the love. Shout out to Bodega Hive. Shout out to
y'all.
Red Bull. Shout out to all the sponsors.
Yeah.
Shout out to Narcan.
No, yeah.
Shout out to Red Bull, always allowing us
All
to do the crystal
day.
clear clarity here at 220 West 18th Street.
You know who it is.
Shout out to our Razor Sound engineer. Yeah. Victor in the building over here.
saying?
With
God,
that 24
God.
karat magic.
Yo, that's a great song.
That's a great
I'm
song.
not even gonna front.
You
man.
can't. That's one of those songs.
Yo.
That's one of those songs you can't hate on that shit.
Man, that shit is so good.
That's what Bruno Mars tapped you on the shoulder like, you're welcome. And I was like, yo, I'll be 3 seconds in. I was like, damn.
Yo, shout out to Bruno Mars also actually for being mad woke and being like, yo, all American music is black music.
Woo.
Shout out to you.
'Cause he's
You know what I'm saying?
Black-Apino.
Yeah, he's Black Apino.
You Black Apino, bitch. Shout out to Bruno Mars. 24 karat magic. That song sounds old and young and new
At the same
at the
time.
same time.
I'm like, how
you doing it? He's a god. Woo.
guy.
Yo, it's episode
right.
54.
Huh? That's right. We're coming to you live from 220.
It's your boy Jesus Vice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka
Yeah.
Pocket Safe Bacteria, aka Chris Asper Slingy, aka Eli Libby, aka What's Gully, aka So Bad I Might Know You, bitch, aka Young J Party, Young Hot Take, Jesus H Fuego, Mr. Nando Durando, Mikhail Novogoff, 1994, the Juve Boss, MC Luca Gunkui, putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool. Now, the thing about the Uber thing, some of y'all deleted Uber, you deleted your profile. I feel you. But also, Lyft also makes money from Trump. So what are we doing out here?
What are we
And then
doing?
Uber just said they're going to pull out from the Trump thing.
Yeah.
So can we go back to Uber?
Let's talk about it, Twitter.
Because Uber's in 30 countries.
That's true.
Lyft and Juno. Also, Juno karate. Juno. I don't know. Also, Liv, I want to redact what I said last week about the pink mustache not being masculine. It's fine. We can all ride in lifts now.
It's fine.
All right.
It's all good.
It's all good. But don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know.
If you're in an Uber pool right now, you're a racist. Sorry, that's just how it works. I'm just throwing it out there.
Listen,
Maybe an anti-Semite.
I paid the extra $20 to come here. You should too.
Oh, look at
You know what I'm
look at your man over here.
You know what I mean?
Look at your man over here. As me, Jesus Rossi, the Jamaican Jew. I wonder how you have money for Ubers.
Very frugal.
Oh, how you have a coupon code?
I had a Groupon.
Oh, wow.
I had a Groupon.
Wow, mazel tov to you, my brother. Yo, the original plus one got a plus one. Don't make a fuss.
Don't make a fuss.
Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, Simba. Don't look over there. Don't look over there. That's what the gazelles are. The Puerto Rican. Look at that gazelle's pussy. Oh, shit, it's fat. Charcuterie without the culinary. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay. Remember in 1985, me and Darryl Strawberry, we got mad coked up in Charlotte Chase Stadium. So the thing is, like, we had this girl, and he started choking her, and she died, and we put her back in the trunk, and I said, hey, we have a game. And when we came back, and she was awake, and you know who that girl she grew up to be?
Sarah Palin.
Michael Gay. Vice Gay Michael Zaka. 3-4 Jones. Jesus Zaka. Stanley Cups. The human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot Blurry.
That's right.
And you know what? Take it back and restart it. So rebuffer it and be nasty and actually save it to your hard drive.
Yeah, let me hear that dialogue one more time.
Yeah.
One more again.
Yeah.
We're just driving around South Beach looking for babes.
DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Wash the Flash. Up next, Fuck the Police, played by Kenny G for Hidden Beach Records. The curry go. Bah, 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 bah. More bone than meat.
Yeah.
And you know what that means because I'm nasty. DJ Spicer. I got some alternate fact for that ass. The black Asiatic actor who crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor code. Misdemeanor. A.K.A. you're problematic, babe. And I'm problematic because you know what? Maybe I hit you up and then you'll hear from me a couple of days.
Maybe.
And I show and I just chill with you for a week.
That's just what it is, man.
It's just what it is. We gotta understand it. What's said between me and you doesn't have to be spoken, ma.
That's right. You knew what it was when you signed up.
Yeah.
That's right, motherfucker. Episode 54.
Now coming to the stage. Who is it?
Yeah. Yeah. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Skirt Lutter. I ain't no fucking baby. I fucking man. Look at my dad. You know what I'm saying? My name is definitely on the fucking guest list. And no, I'm not stepping to the fucking side while you check again. You know what I'm saying? I'm the dad of the year. Also,
Dad.
Ben Smack Biombo. Phil the Ass Tyson.
Felix.
You know what I'm saying? Ben Boston with the precision of an earth sign gerbil in the face of the planet.
We love you, man.
That makes no sense, but fuck it. Throw your panties on the stage. I love you, Candy. Put your titties out. I'll open your medicine cabinet and I go to your cribs. Please put the benzos elsewhere. You know why? Because I'm the Zen Man. Yo, Pico Sabroso, Baby Newport, Nino Brown, East Street, my Stevie B, Mami que lo que.
Hey.
I see you out here.
Hey.
It's the plantain supernova in the sky.
Yeah.
One day you will find me smoking weed on Dream On. Throwing an alley-oop to Barmelo's Anthony.
From 3.
If you see me in Target, my nigga, respect my agency. Approach me like an earth sign mammal. You know what I'm saying? And you two, you already know who it is. El hijo de Tito y FIFA bajando caro, más frío con X malito, más caliente que un fogón. No te cruces cayendo con el cañón, papi. Ra! Holla! We out here!
I don't know. He said. I don't know if that was like a death threat.
My nipples hard.
Was that like an order for food?
They was like, yo, we out here, we mad cool, and we'll also murder you.
Whose phone is that? Is that
My
yours?
shit. Yo, something right on time.
Oh, all right. Well,
Hey.
listen. It's episode 54.
54, yo.
We're out here giving you
Enjoy
that audio dat in your ears. Hopefully you have a good weekend. Hopefully Trump doesn't blow up the world.
Hopefully.
The world is short. If you love someone, tell them.
Tell them right
You know
now.
what I'm saying?
Go hug everybody.
Hug everyone. If you got someone in your office you got a crush on, you know what I'm saying? Put your finger in your poom poom and wave it on the top lip and be like, yo, let's get this shit popping, Craig.
This is what it could be,
This is
Craig.
what it could be. The world, life is short. All right? This weekend, I want that Dak. Go in there with no panties on into the HR room and be like, yo, you know what this is? You smell my pheromones.
Yeah.
You smell my church. You smell me church. You want my church on your face.
On my face. Wine bunny cookie. Wine bunny cookie.
Let me put my phone on your charger. Yo, episode 54, the Bodega Boys in the building. Viceland, we out there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
That's
DJ Mero
right.
in the building. You know what I'm saying? We still out here. We doing the art. Shout out to Bodega Hive. The best fans in the world.
You're the
we
best.
are ouchie, nigga. Check out my tab. Peace.